after 7 a.m. here. Good morning, Accra. Good morning, Ghana. And as I've always been saying, we are not in normal times. And Yamasisa, yes, CEO Bravo Multimedia, Kwadwo Fosuh Daddy Lumba. I'm sorry. And I know pay me busa so apomu to say bibia boko dear. Bibia we be a utibia mo akwaba. Edibadia 106.9 megahertz. Live on Facebook, live on YouTube. Johnny another comment about. Bibia we be a uti no. How you deal? 106.9. Medical catch what it out. We are live on Facebook. We are live on YouTube. This is part 1 of the show, part 2 near the Bebro from the residence of Kwadwo Fosuh. And I pay you bedin komo. Yes. And then koma ye bebona you're so interested. Yes. And to catch will be no so can't you be. So no so won't be. WhatsApp message in the brown 0593406565. I don't know WhatsApp line or WhatsApp line activated now. Oba now the WhatsApp message at to her. Yeah, Jibre can kind of amount.
DLFM 106.9.
Minutes after 7 a.m. here. How you deal? 106.9. Medical catch what did that. So we are not in normal times. We hear a program in Enquires son and I pay you didn't come up. And many Yvonne Ohene Djan, aka Shee, and it didn't come up. Now, Obia Busasa, why any Shee? Why any Shee? Of course, Obia name says she's the voice behind the stars. Now, Daddy Lumba nyum do draw ye na. When is she and a ye? Nerahopa or Rehomo Pennyfosi Sukra Jai him. Asamaba Brechia Bo a Busuya Kunafo Emba and Yajumay 4. Yet Sinisio Yenida Mujemo a Rehoaba Yadi in our rat Charles Kwadwo Fosuh Daddy Lumba Dayawan sorry. And Nana pay Shee e wofia hanom. Pesi ni din komo. Shee, good morning.
Morning.
Bibi aboko dear.
Na me na do bibi aboko.
Enim sare ho aba. And we Obia. What say papa wo no? I know how you reacted on phone. And I pay yen din komo. Yakase Shee a, why ni Shee?
She Bessie baby Otu nyum tufu bebre. Only most of the stars are Juma from the ages of 8 till now, and very easygoing person as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
You. Daddy Lumba. Who's your Daddy Lumba with him fan?
Shee Daddy Lumba. Mention but na or studio Juma and na warrior the time and with Enquires or hash. And then I'm here nyuma librarian you been to no obo nyuma no studio no raho them time no kake nyuma mama Burax asieho into do you know so voice no na wo bono do no pe nipa no and I Enquires catching do nipa no or two no sha into ji da maybe okake bisa permission before no so obey no g number no free offering mukima because I'm in Jindi day or Lumba na meteno because they move with Michael Jackson.
Okay, so studio honum Anna Daddy Lumba identify your voice.
Yes.
When your man near your son.
No one do.
And you busa engineer and say or pesa voice. Okay.
And offer inti muken also mama direction. That was my brother opinion. Don't talk z no chen no ba mataiko. He spent almost like 2 hours.
About one chain.
Yes.
Who na some men catch you for the first time I Daddy Lumba who no.
I was son abo fraba ishaka enye pemimpo.
Because that time when you feel say.
Okay, my name was 16, I'm 17, so I'm 17.
17 years.
Yeah, but I'm 16, I'm anana. My kid is 17.
Okay, so from 16 to 17.
Inyo.
And Daddy Lumba ba one chain.
Inyo.
To who no castle se uswa cry.
Inyo. Menye pemimpo.
See, after that, and then no catch you.
Okay, and I'll say, a great person in me if I don't see that on Zohupa, but he can't wait to tell me how good I am. But unless you do studio and sound, but obi some them out to highlife that I'm so much to be that, but on them to be that. And them style no or two, no yes, because me fancy no so but from you do her.
Okay.
Yeah.
Your first time with Daddy Lumba, it was studio. I was saying.
No yes and papa because all country no me do inti okay na my confused. No so okay oba na mention it's okay one liner na mato okay one liner na mato the man is but I realized it was very strict. Very, very strict. Especially Oba if you know baby said permission wasn't one your man and then he became very strict like a father figure. He was very strict on me.
Very strict on you.
Very.
It was studio honor.
Very.
And you made the kaya when Lumba ye and your bang.
I see her.
And when I to see her honor. Wow. Okay, silence no.
Yeah, I'm okay.
Bet me my tea kakra. And I paying koma ye di no. Me live radio near ya and papa ne free mo. And no bibi and komo bi ye di bia no. Ye pese tifo. Ehu bibi a ti ase ho na oto ye.
Mon kanu mun sama na muntu. I'm so
na oto kakra. Kakra bi. Oto kakra bi a.
I see a way and then I dream. Need intimate to me, I know. Mikai. Now me dream me every day. Call me home, day. Hey.
One out to honor no.
Virginia.
Silence no one out try na daddy na trauma.
Virginia on no true because time is it. No man doing true.
To daddy natural silence in the mouth.
Virginia.
And you many blew all over Ghana. Yeah. What's in your radio? So how did you feel?
I felt so good and proud, but at the same time I was scared because no one can share me with you unless my two brothers pay, and I'm a mama pay. That time when I'm papa putting him there, so at church no one knew there, no yummy. So I was just enjoying it, but at the same time. My proper pepe,
but one time dear, what to say about on your radio. So I see. So after I see her, and you been being under Daddy Lumba.
111666.
One out to 111666.
Double songs. I double voices. Decor, Sika, Rias Munya, right? Sika, right? And Yene Osrekwa, and Pim. Tokroom.
Now two Tokroom. I see.
Kwame Lumba, dear boom, and show against Harry. I work at the Harry or something. And you mean the also.
You know, 1 or 2 years.
It's a lot.
Wow. Your working relationship with Daddy Lumba, the personality now who say?
No nonsense person. My in bullying, right? And I realized there working with him, he was a bit quick tempered, but I loved it because on fancy, on PBB or Wakacho, and he's quick to say sorry as well. But open BBI shoulder. Them not say.
Oh, okay.
And the BB na say, I don't know, don't know, he doesn't mind to come for it. Because I'm a people and Katapa. Otumba no beja, that coverage or canan, Shamoben worry, a broken queen work.
Hey, wow. And only happen when studio.
In your studio.
Namo your studio session.
In your.
And now we are brooding cat.
In your or canan can be worrying in a lot that kunkuno. So he's somebody like with Zumpa. Like I had the privilege to always eat with him, dine with him on the same bowl. And I never knew he would do that because Namusa. But with Dobakadebra, and even if you're crying walk at it on your BNZ, boom, but treat him so well as a father figure, yeah.
Okay. Now I want to say your papa.
In your my friend and daddy the man work. And a papa the man do too, and my friend.
Your friend and daddy and I say papa.
Papa. No, my friend and daddy sometimes if it depends on hey.
Okay. Your musical journey as a musician, or your daddy shape you live or musical journey?
Yes, especially how to the butcher bibin temnato. Because on Oka is less than 30 seconds, he wants you to get it, and then he's gone. Or 2 years and we pay. And so Bana said, "Yaone, ya ondo bet siya pa ma na kom. O tu mitsiya ma wash ma minyanka. Moka kamaju bi achen, but I am but no bushuna. This one made my Julie, but I realized that the man no ya no bo ma pa. In Samuko studio, it doesn't matter how hard the song is, I'll still learn it quickly and then get it done.
Oh, okay.
So the Mazen could sing with the studio aspect. He really helped. Yeah.
Outside studio, now only that relationship to say.
It was so nice, especially let me say, since and she was one person I wish people can know her or friend when Kasajina. Wherever you are. Auntie Gina, I love you so much. She was like a mother because on and annoy bibi ama papa them time. So every time papa kade mama banam rape obafre maybe walk baby cause she over here brabasimi uncle. It was so good. Mukofia, they treat me so well. Like bakade it was an makon. If you always see baby or crano. Na emna Gina na yeko side toward them time and na bibia. So he really treated me well. Oh, very well.
Wow. 106.9, 24 minutes after 7 a.m. here. Yani Shee in the Daddy Daddy Lumba. Most of the songs, you know, Lady Anna Etoye and Wakikanyum Dudua one Daddy Lumba. Yeah. She mami musa out of songs one Daddy Lumba you know. Then anamo ye nyum particular ben anamo ye studio because na ye difficult pa.
Nina difficult because of how I want to pronounce and say. Now must pronounce amaze. So all of them it be a challenge, but put or shape you in a different way. So want to mankade and you be a easy mom them, but emiso enyumo as an amapensi. Yeah, I had.
But that particular song, muyo studio no.
I think mole because one of the we had to drop it and then come back the next day. Because now I feel not my ha. Because Mr. No tone mole na man say mole ne da. So I feel mutu and you mean and I think that was the last song I recorded for the day. But now my break. Now this was I think it was around like 2:30 in the morning. So I was really exhausted. And so all two I'm into mention. No, how you try do not the next day about to.
Wow. More record with different studio and I said one studio na more works in
na from Zamallet to Apietu's K1 and other studios.
Oh, okay. So that the songs be was up Mallet or
in
they know you was up or no.
Originally Dada Kaime Ride Me the time we know there was a call back to Germany. And I into my kanke master name into no Martina, Miss sweet sister or we final work, and then it was beautiful. She did it amazing. No one could have done it better than her. Yeah. Wow.
It's more recorded with different studios.
Different studios, and every song comes with a story, especially time or year pano. No, so nanko for jundanka obaka baby the time and see also the time no the chore the menu.
And also
nadum yeah.
Nadum na to
you.
Wow.
And then sika. Also sika. O yeri no the son is sika here. And also sika ibi efi. Ibi nyu hunti na rekadam na sika your hen. Nanka bi show one ke jam puchan. Pebi na sika ye nipa nonkwa.
Okay.
Because also a year in answer with their son is coming here.
106.9, 27 minutes after 7. Yani Shee, Edin Komo.
DLFM.
Oh, me, mommy, why young one? Emisa machawasi yao ajiye swa mama brava sisa ena tumwa kwa Woni mami wayo one way Emisa machawasi yao ajiye swa mama brava sisa ena tumwa ena Obia, Etina Mami, yeah, Kanchi. Anyway, you only must. And you're making me, yeah. your bride. I see money bow, money bow. I do me one hour. I share body, yes, for my sister. My sister cry. I shall mention me no. I share body, yes, you know me, mommy, why young mama. You're so young, mama. Who know me, mommy, why young mama. Never said me was to get you. Who know me, mommy, why young mama. My young mama. I shall mention me no. I share body, yes, for my sister. My sister cry. My sister, I shall mention me no. Mention body, yes, for my sister.
DLFM 106.9.
Mensu.
My sister, my sister cry. My sister, my sister.
Kafra. And she won an hour to a radi wombre mobia. Mensu. 106.9 and Shee and 18 come. Most of Daddy Lumba songs in one of Daddy Lumba network. And one I watch here live on Facebook be who Shee born and Nisio. Edding. And you went so when Daddy Naya wow. Where is Sika? You take a crap. Your banner for your trunk on the soil.
Hey, Baba, I'm so be road and your Kwadwo.
Hey, Mama, hey, Papa, let's take a name,
Hey, Mama, Mama, thank you, Mama, and I take you.
Hey, Mama, hey, Papa, let's take a name, and we are still here, yo. 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 We are still here,
I'm for you. I'm for you. Baby, on the Sikani, Pamka, Yami, Rona, and my you be the Yami, Rona, and sing it one day, and through your buff, so your buff will not want your bonny one. And beyond the Sikani, Pamka, anyone, and when you are, Kazunia did to what I draw. Oh, anyone and when you are, that's only the top of the throw. Of the world, my dear, dear. You just say ABC more. God, I need to. I brought Fosuh. ABC. I hear you, but you know. You just say ABC more. Kwadwo fo ekokan osenka fo Exedu nchichemu dronkron no na sio osi sika ene ye adini nara. Praise the Lord. The lady and ofata me say wanna so me no do me asi ya do me to go adie ya tone suro na jikire ya to Yenti odoye wotame Baba odomi Ani mekwaya me baba nisio Iseni na nyamye wahori ma Sika Media mautu disa Osha warrior motoso Sensha mi wanko dofu biango Sika ni wana Gani bako ni osha warrior That's the end of my family. And for me, we run a young Kwadwo. That's the candy me funko. We are still here, yo. We are still here, yo. We are still here, yo. Kaneko. We are still here, yo.
I'm in my insurance Kwadwo Sami be Kwadwo. Matching. And I wish radio TV 1 hour here live on Facebook be hodi ekoso. Kwadwo anape me sam watch biem.
Major Subakova.
And wo Shee.
Yeah, sure. And in fact, me nam kwasu benina na me monitor show no.
I have reasons here me dem common about so. Yeah. And Shee bona near nisuo.
Bakobra
Eden pa.
Edumpen so say na penifo se be yedu amanfo so ana
yakaya no kre
and nipa wo ben no na onne na ekwa na eba sometimes onu no eye bibi bomu na wanka bia nhemu nipa na wante na yade mpo ka ode onyade mpo na nka kofie kwasra no na wante ho hwe and all of us said no better and say nipa na frem and yem nipa nso awafrem ayeka na ho asem nye ordinary person bi keke and ye kan mutu mo man Ghana mu yasi afa na nyina Daddy Lumba nyimtuni a yentimi enka na asem yenka nyimtuni asem nyine mfamfremo and yenim impact a wo mo ben no enya o mabrabo so enti ekoba ne se enne yem papa Charles Kwadwo Fosuh adodo na friend Daddy Lumba nkati asefo hu bi wa in fact na eyodupon ena tutu enti ni pe bia o ben no bra kwabra omfa na hokono so enya de a emresa and say mpenifo te sabi agro yanka ni wachi a ya na wasi agro na de but e benwa and be hu se de ade eti ankasa enti wono mo ne yem papa Daddy Lumba edinsa wo so kakra ro na wo mo aben no nim eni pa na wojo enti yekodu pempen so na otumu sele in fact ade ahwero endra baka ya na mene na ede nkomo no na in fact wo say mra wote Daddy wuo no ohun se won kan wiase hu bio because so hwa nyonkofa na da wo montem ne Daddy kwan ofaso ye na de ene ne nwumu nsem eka na eni pasei ene ye kan tiasefo no nka obra kwabla no woten enti my sister minim de enti a obonani a ni suo nko na wote no because bla kwabla den se obehia ne sesu bi
Kwadwo Shee nkoma wo bo no wo shia Daddy Lumba at a young age 1617 and on Daddy Lumba ye nyoma Kwadwo what is anyu me pen ase ho
pa mekai
Shee na to
ye
ye
no na bolas ka ho no
ai
mekai sa anwuma that time na me wo kroba ko bi obi odi mo boase no udo ayoko a wokọ boase a na wo fa asenfo situfu pra so kwa no so a kroba ko bi da uduru ayoko a branch road bi da ho kroba ko bi hye wo front mu dua mpompo
okay
that time na me wo mesiwa ba ko nche ne bra kwabla that time na anwuma ne bae no
ase ho no
I think na me wo class 3 or so
marriage certificate no ne
ache
ase ho
I mean class 3 na me so akra na wo class 3 and Black of Ranyasem Kuma, and you will be a cotton or may you pa. And my sister can or mamma Tonyum, no count.
On not Tonyum Lancasa, Uti, Wabana or one Yumunima, and Anadri, or not 2 year.
Wow,
or not 2 year. And Daddy Lumba, Etienne and Cow Studio, so I can record Rubinium. No say, me here, sir, lady no Tonyum no. We share Daddy Lumba na Daddy Lumba so ya bofra kra ifri ho na Daddy Lumba fan so ni mu na ye nwoma up to now Kwadwo wonim say the new patriotic party MPP
sure
the last time Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo ba fie and wo ba fie be chi abusua no na nabo nani a ni suo asama na Akufo-Addo kan ne say so obey your mampani a na gina Daddy Lumba nyom our 2 years so and Sanyuma ye kan ho asem no na na you win na okay Sanyuma no
the kaipa
ni nyina Shee na 2 year
wow
yes
and we chire dientia ontumi nyina ne naso e wo mra okaye mpapa wu na nani so edwa no if is a bra ko bana wo hwe sa anwuma hodo ya bodin nyina Ghana ni bia wotimi bia nim sa anwuma we bedi akotene e wo man Ghana bia ya obeku bia puntu bia se no na nyiwe edi makoten di metintiman pa ene ye nyina ye nim sunsuanso we nyanye ebe kan adofo bo mu wo man yi mu edum pempen so obi kura ne adofo bi kura nya asem ne ade enso enwum we etumi keka ade hye bubo mu amani gye kroso e wo man yi mu in fact yes sister onkafra edim said yes no eden pa nanso de ebe kan se anu ye ni wotwede yampon yankopon ho ohun se bible ne ka se enipa besusu se na mepese meye na so twede yampon yankopon ne ba ma se aginasie no etumi agina and in fact se ye ka se ye behwe de etu aya abra kobna wa hwe a enam ye nwu bi da because wo hwe obi a na wosua finhye be ye dunsia na nwumtuni kese te se Daddy Lumba etumi apeke no from that time ene na ya nwom ahodo emenam no so na begidin wo mayi mu na se ne nipa wosuo ni sade ni twa esuo no na ode na kwesi nsuo ni finfin baabi agya na ho abra kobna den se nsuo na ye twa ene waso mensamu nsuo de mi atwa adun finfin akakra na yawie na wudun finfin baabi na wagya misi ho a eden ende otie minti na sopam enye se ye papa amwa no nye sa na me pa che ne momu no enwoto no ye papa o ka kire yen se on retire enfiri nyumutu num entina ka betumi ababio se obesana na yanyum bio mpanka obekọ ne krechi awako ena fofia ntoata na wadwade aba mu ane papa
ena yo ya no
because ejuma I say jide man kona meye and the time when I had family emergency so na the up and down acquaintance mo ka chende ye wobir nso nya better na no se the menum na waka no jide man kona meye because origin why ankonya the way opening into watching manti ono emio because ansana entrant wanti mu hu how anyum no so why anyum no do but I don't know most why not even cover them sunny and for I just all right emio
black of rantu we be asem ni free ba bibi wo ho ai senka eba so eni daddy ehye ne bo se nwum bi wo ho a ono nkuto ni nipa obetimi ene na yesa anwum no and here is the case bo sha yen papa share no enam dwumedie ba ko mienu bi ai si ne kwanti no wanya kwanya mba masa anwum no o mantimi anya mpa hontoma ene papa eja hoko and o hwe se de wo kanya enwum no kra no wanhye da enhu se de tie ankasa mpo na enke papa ni ho kra wakase bi a daddy ni ho kra no obegina tumi aboa na waya enwum no eni ho sisi a wamfa ne krutu a wisi ehunu bi ɛno mantimi ani ho nkɔma nkonka me papa nhyɛ da ma no sɛ de anwuma
on sure nyum nto gide obo beat na no actually the Hanabotu. So
wow,
it's very hard to know what he's doing. Because all bibia was studio ha. I mean say nyum moto studio ha. Iframa de na mo rahwa dem de na moto dem de na moko. Nti dem no so ya na nyum.
Ba ko ban na Daddy adwuma na nye easy sa. Na nye wo yo bia se wonye smart pa na wonye very intelligent. Wontu ne Daddy because pe de wo kan Daddy ntwira nwom nto ho nkenkan kire wo se ye nyina ye nkenkan te ase moko ya pe kenkran
nyo
pasho
the medina
ene bra komna in fact o man infantin be say ya ye waze serious so serious Daddy ntwira nwom nto ho
dabi
wow
I'm maintain nwom po like in studio ho na moto then I'm gone.
Yeah, the beat in the twice, mamma.
Over beating on okay, day no day 9 motor. That's it. Maintain you up till date.
Okay, so Shee mami busa one Daddy co studio no. Mo studio. On one chair the kind of beat or pay. And now about kutani beat did that.
Ibi wo was beat naba nti obaka cho de add up na onye. Pim I think on kra no was be. Pim. Ni na da menwum ni na no wa.
No so one out here.
Mponcho nyo. No da bedada na ni nyina Kwame Lumba di abebo ensure against ni na no wa ye. Nti appear to the honors and so kankan ho. Nti nyum bi enyu a start from scratch man da. On simple. Na was it neze baba. No ye na edwuma.
So answer no beba studio ho no. Unim dia wo ye de.
Unim zoye. Unim baby a beat no unim baby or drop or doba unim baby or de ojina bibia. But o mama kwenya mamutumu add up to the songs. That's one thing that all the musicians mo makacha wanda wona madawana say. Because anytime they play a song and I have an idea, they allow me to sing. So there if you were in the day you were kwa ya me or your mama.
Okay, so that the Lumba songs bi wa wankasa wa ade apu bi.
Yeah, man am ade today. The work a day Harry on your Harry, but man I'm adding because not
any Harry na den.
Oh yeah, how we create just gibberish language be keke na show. Because now you no so do. In so kada you remaking no na mu ha me yen into me ye or your intro. Into mutu kwana be no was I a whole chorus. No so oyene I realized that he needed that a hooking in the whole thing. But onya she na manka she. Me create bibia keke na mzo.
Ntenye Harry.
Dabi.
How we.
Oh yeah. How we some niado. How we some niado. Sorry, Mura went to my voice. That's so cool.
Kwadwo. Wow. Meba.
DLFM.
Hurry, some niado. Hurry, some niado.
Ada na shepa no. Mete Kwadwo te say bibia shepa. Shee otro honum na nke be me de pa. Ati. Truma yani enti dia na opese o kire.
Hawi somni adowe. Hawi somni adowe. Hawi somni adowe.
106.9 and Yvonne Ohene Djan reading come on. Shee messages to the door so.
Daddy Lumba say.
Again kaka kram for man up pay. Charles Yabo who saw some my condolences.
Daddy Lumba say.
All DLFM workers.
On say.
Knock men sound when his soul rest in peace. Anaya Ayensua. Indeed, he's a legend. Oh, for Ramponsa Benjamin. Rest in peace, legend.
Mommy see me back where you.
So for some, I paid in the WhatsApp message about the Facebook messages as well. When you're live on Facebook, live on YouTube. James, say good morning, Hitman. My condolences to the family of DL. Kennedy Anoche, also the only musician I know is Daddy Lumba. And I want that here live from Paris, France. Daddy lives on. Hajia Fosuh Brown. Daddy rest in peace.
Niponya mieshwana dia Niponya mieshwana Nase nobody shiro yasi dia Taumfubia to minsa Ain't Minsaido yasi wao Unyaminti Minsaido
Thanking YouTube messages nigga crowd.
Unyamini mihai
Nana Bedu has been his gentle soul, rest in peace. This morning, J. Emmanuel, rest in peace, legend. Abranchiman, rest well, legend. Your legacy lives on. Margaret's Baden, she's so adorable. My condolences.
Daddy Lumba say,
They sent her food again. Shee, top lady. 41 minutes after 7. 106.9. Jimmy Musashi, so when you were more studio, no, in this studio, home come. We want to pay a fast song by song. Na for ye di home come ye pa. So anyway, my band is saying studio session of Fire Komukakra. How did it go? Moya Sanyum way.
Daddy, sometimes what baby I origin into ayo ojojoa okay didn't you know or dan so moka the mayor the more the ashim no be someday or the name so much beginning with them maybe the like Zulu be I does and Zulu be na bibi shim. It's me a way no and no a more Deutsch be 30 seconds. On no chuala pay there. No, you say, we be for cra. Only we be for cra. The way I meant yes here, because we be for cra. See, I'm person who the all can what me. See, I think when he was done, he on pono you know a Harry na makai, and he kept it like that. Echi no said them now for a country. Yenje numbers is better as I want. So I you more be answer the canins. So he allowed me to do so many things.
Oh, okay.
Inyo.
Inyo. Now, songs in the Dawson. Moya men said that remix.
Yeah.
And Pim.
Yeah, with the one with the circle there.
And I drew there. And it's 1 or 2 years.
You, Dico.
Wow.
And I anke tutua. Enquires, Betty.
Hey. Nina 1 or 2 years.
Nana Bequama. Adia Beshini Mama. So a lot of those it's 40 hit song plus.
Nana Daddy Lumba
yeah. And
you 40.
I can't remember or
and more.
Yeah.
Kwadwo
and more.
And more.
Man of mine 40 plus.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you may be able to do more than 40.
40 is a Diana. Hey, my boy, Papa.
Fantin Becare Edwanan.
Okay.
In Tibraco Bana, who soon as I say, what he
the
did.
Jana knows.
Pa.
And
my name Kurumhano will be at many daddy. I am young songs of Bebro Sadia.
Debbie.
And it's never papa and I sempa. Pass a daddy, no, I mean, allow more getting closer to him. I will not obey young. They will come and a black or no, you would depart.
Oh, I just shine you no point sure what it means and stuff is amazing. Especially in Pim Dana Komado Panti, most of the time he talks about it a lot.
Now, Ocheche Mukachiro said the reason why we are Sam Pim no.
Also, sometimes he never knew some people were just pretending to love him. until he realized as if you see when I but no personal conversation and so okay no say she the mazin into namaze and pim but ena ye no strikwa yendo o se susumani pa esu enda daw ye ne strikwa the two songs see
no so na to ye
mpochonyo
ni pesu ena daw
inyo ena Obia no was and pim no so the come so this two he was and maybe send another day obi tumutanwana de obi was the see you have no idea zama film because sometimes you're so loyal to people and you love them so much with everything in you, but the only time ansabonde ni pana agenda donana I sacrifice so much to be with a person and I a bibi zaman and name de the person is seeing you as a fool is a very painful thing. So that's why he did the song.
You know circle.
You know circle.
No susumani pa yede.
Isu and dada.
Susumani pesu and dada.
Suban. Susumani pa suban on dada. On your circle.
Oh no.
On dog rumpudi.
DLFM 106.9.
Because I was a baby, and my because I won't go there. Oh, and you like I want to put down so dear. The town was young, I sing crying. I didn't go. So, no need but you. So, you'll see every day. You'll see the sun, but you sleep. Then you see, you know. So, you'll see every day. You'll see the sun, but you sleep, and you see, you know. You sleep, you sleep, so many past another way, and you see, you know. And you sleep, you sleep, so many past another way, and you see, you know.
106.9. It's Makobina live on Facebook. Also, this lady is truly a legend. Also, the way Daddy Lumba identifying the voice, and we went straight to look for her. Rest for Daddy. I'll pay you for calling a crowd. When you're no here live from an on and on, also my bet to me a fair WhatsApp line on. Only a plus 233 59340 6565 plus 233 593 406565. Like your Ghana phone, so yes, we are friend 059340 6565 0534 050 199. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Minia.
Me about your first saying.
We have 1+1 Spinters Road, Baba Bakupe.
1+1 my minti wanna pay.
Minia. I was a can. Rebecca. Minia, Mamma, no cause my. You Yamusi. Because I remember one day.
Okay.
Papa told you that's why they am a movie. She answered the Itimachi. Woko. That's all. Minia. Money you are money.
You 1+1 and pay you that's it. Good morning.
Good morning.
Me patch your first saying.
Vacho me do him mercy. Because I say clapping mampon.
For him ubri ni young quay.
You. Ya papa de ye be kan da. Me say na give to me da o. Da na fo bi mu se mo kan fa papa no ho. To me da na bi. Na me say Nyankopon say baby papa will be a radical decree is my na you really feel that one day why am I you because so a kind na enchiri man so papa buy into me
okay
ya da masi
some
church me
okay right Martin me da se pa good morning
Hitman
me patch your first saying
patch your from me Canadian noche
okay say free him fam
me free
Germany okay ma minti you
I reho na nyina na the yes when say you can say and some of that did can and some are imudu and to say kabeya anka university and senior high baby we music piano and come be starting am yesua Daddy Lumba home sem school na ya pe museum bia enipa bebrebe free ewiase afa na nyina beba ho abadi sua no ho ya na nanyom esanse papa no nsem o kan me move ene niema obe ni wiase bro adwene ne ntia na DJ man
yes sir
na men kam ho
amen
ene nyina na maya adwuma
yeah that's it
nyuma maye no
you she wa
yeah my tie no this is the second time I met you know me tie an interview bi na I was impressed since Nyankopon adom no voice pa ntino on say ba na say waboa ma daddy enyum to no akwa akire sa
you mate you chia Germany phone nyina good morning
Minia.
me patch your first saying
Me did the Benjamin.
Ben ukasa free him fam
Because I said that.
ma minti Benjamin
Yeah, no paying, I'm sure no pay. In general, my friend, which I no pay the same San Fabio. Oh, and you ma, Mubus say a news requirement. I said, Daddy, no, will you be a Najumodo? Because so one dream da. Oh, to me for what dream a reverend Yaman be more. To me, I am fine sending me a moonbill. And you move. It's who you be a what you would die. It be what you want to never be real.
Okay.
She, Wakasa, who feel for po. Be brave, be belka, or be catchers or mudo, but in your munina.
You know, sir, quite.
She, be bad, dear, your pa. Miraho, and no pay.
Kafra.
Many are banners on. Mr. Yakupon say, on Shenny. Because any easy say, Obia only in Koba, Obia only into me cool studio cuisine. Na precompare. That's an epanajao. She, me brother, or your Mutini, you can Ghana a Dangme gospel artist or Kahubi. Or no can a mini president about a Ghana Dangme gospel musicians. Send you to Daddy, a sad etuno. Yes, yeah. That's a question daddy do.
Kafra. Mate.
Yet me bisana some. Because I see a bisanya kupa sama. So being na no kasa. Obia knew what to me bet me ajano.
Right. Mate.
Yakupa now sharing in ID.
That's
it. Say any 1 week, you know, bet me adi ni days naba.
So they are sweaty DLFM. Why? Because DLFM.
Since the station PA up to today. And I mean started a meeting.
Right. Mate.
First day and I make people know up to now.
Because
Obia with the name a year fatu or malabrabo. The beer because I can visit to me signing next year. I can remember we are signing here. I can bet to me near me.
Mate, that's it. Thank you so much for calling. Good morning.
Good morning, Black Obia.
Yeah, for saying.
Pacho don't need to go no bush.
It's a saying.
Pacho, yo.
Mammy, too.
Nakova Mimobia, Yako. Ya share the Cassia be pa. Me daddy da by Frima Kume Moon. Mr. Papana Sema, Mammy, and you share. Easy. Nakobra. Then I meet news no up to now. A bomiari totally. Me who the main papa me who onye shima me ba me pena sem me tini nyom se me on cry. See ma we akọ back over me mo bia ya for studio. Ya me come on.
Yo, Mate. Yeah, that's it. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, for saying.
That's a good answer.
I mean, you want to pay.
I'm sure it's from the name of Bano. Linking no suddenly. Said that the agent in panel. Our numbers were not so in panel. The best of them Kremusa, the Medin who moved. So, would take your demo a daddy and a moitia. You simply be the back. Okay. And to get my baby.
Okay.
That's we know my abundance.
Okay.
And they have worked with you for shooting. No, so extra required. I didn't know the woman. It could be a translation of who you. And then woman no more time now, woman pretend to say, Umudo. It's an uncle again. May 7 I'm done to one more. It didn't know the book. Nothing. In past, from your feathers and Konkomokama. And the Kwadwo for Swaba begin legacy. And you want to be one man, you did not be Yafa. And now, the team interview was in the most this to be. And then you go pop some cramble, the man bye bye. And you more here, what this is, Mommy and then Yamiafi, none of the order. That then Yami, which you have to know who's to be. That's an infinite muda, that's a more kind.
Okay.
And then so, the did you know. The man to send the normal, a get your campaign. Then you know, they are so. You need to pass, as I said, when the Kwadwo for sure, Jam. That was in Yamisa.
Yankopon and Cat on so home. Good morning.
Good morning.
Me patch your frozen.
Yeah, Miss Rafi Votaregi. Your friend is Salome.
Votaregi.
Adia Fati Asibi.
You, Mammy too.
Tong. Meno. Baby, I me see Daddy Lumba the program. So Votaregi, and yet is a bet me at the program. It's Nyamitra. Say, me ma yen to for ye Votaregi. They so. Me a catch report on cry last week na ye see him. Say me and your mommy papa what Daddy Lumba. Me no mo say. Ye ni usri kwa ye mpe wonu. The party fan no de Musa bo mama Hadia Fati Salome. Ifefi adidome.
Okay. Yo.
Say me pesa no.
That's it. Yeah, that's it. Yo, abusua ye nua no ma mbutie wa manone mo so mo betumi I join the conversation. Now my old friend plus 233 40 6565. Good morning.
Good morning, Hitman.
Yeah, for
sorry.
Hello.
What FM do
you do? Mammy too.
Oh, it's my Arohu and Amidu. Wow. Arohu, me kada me tibaka bejar hoodie. Because me peel up akupa, me sumono on wajamu koi. Me ra ho we are some by papa no na me dem bibia se ho abium. And that's when I
Anidaso Wɔhɔ.
Daddy.
Anidaso Wɔhɔ.
But you can see say man yakọ.
What's your pa?
Na Obia oboa papa na okoi na ho abiem. Na mention you
Yo.
Na mention DLFM association for nyina entire family the whole world nyina yanko banchi Obia you okay nda so nyina na okono. Because if you some gbese atomic me that say.
Mate you do me so me that say. Good morning. Hello. Oh, too bad. Me pacho. Kafra Sanfre BM 0593 406565 0534 050 199 1 wotie ewo YouTube na so ma mo wa ma no ne no mo so mo betumi afre +233 593 40 6565 mo so fra na fe you know ya din komo Shee ewa. Good morning.
Good morning, brother.
Ya fro saying
Diane Tommy.
Ebri
Dankama. Oh.
You. Tommy ma meet you.
Daddy the entimi nya ni su. Ano pe shi ama mera. Yenyina ya she ho de. Ni adia hami. I hamia. Me ye blefo na me say daddy so. E blefo. Sinanka wo say bla wa bling na otimi transe kakra otimi enjoy. Wow.
Kafra. Tommy, me da se so watumi afre anapai. Good morning.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Your fro saying.
Yes, I'm a fan me prefer fancy.
Mami ti anapai.
Enye beto. Ni maganya fonya yako. Did you know my focus? The Fred Jawuli program. And I'm going to say, so of Bible and ma dia almost central number asempano. Na me nim say dia sembina na ahohom e ka kire me. Onu ya me kan na but next see again santi. Yemani nanti. But the Bible needs you.
Okay.
Na ekelema abetu. So na ya tro bi ni dia to ho. Na na ye kan wa so de ne kan bi dia de kan no. Ebetura to ho. Na ya ekelema abetu. Onyankopon kan yera.
One so home. Good morning.
Good morning, DJ Hitman.
Yes, sir. Your first saying.
Richard Sapper,
Rich Maminti wana pay Shee wa.
Shee na chain interviews pa radio stations ni bi. Shane pa Dolumba papa because the obejina bia Okalumba masem papa di Lumba dana koma so. Gano pa medam to mi na mama ra pa because lady no Obia Opelumba fem. Gano pa amode ne ba hono. Eh, lady wa de pa say anopai pa amode no afre na wa ba na jeje. Yes ma nyeze. Gano pa de me ka che station say of onkana come to me na the real Odolumba ne say be don sa.
Amen. You mate me that say. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Your first saying.
But nana one you because free time I abokobi.
Maminti you nana.
Yo. Edinka yadama senior juma pa mo yede boy. Na etosu mi no me fa shedin enkoma wiasifo nyina. Na minimu say ya papa oyedunsi kese a o se abrafo. Na yesi a waja ehoi. Minimu se bia no sunsum no ho. Sunsum no ukotia na bra no abetra ni bia no sunsum na fe. Eye ne nyomo a odi amaye from Z to A. Ubetra se na otie nyomo na obre na wa bre ni nyina na. Say ye wo hia bre, say ye adwuma bre, say ye akwantu bre, say ye how biare how no utie papa nyomo a ubenya de. Wo so betimi dia kikire owura na betimi dia bo bra wo satam. Na mesre abusua no se bia na ye papa gade papa bi wa kire. Mun hwehwem na mun fa ma ne ma no bi je wo no gidi se obetimi atoa ne papa na adwuma no so na maye no. On toa so maye. Na yenum bi de yentumi ntoa ye papa adwuma so na de o si obetumi ato ye papa adwuma so se de ye papa ye no ye sere no so obetumi a on to aso mai na ono so ye mfa ye Anidaso ento no so nyame nka Ghanafo ni wiasefo nyina ho na on chiche ye wre na on share de niema obi a obetumi abesi ye papa nai medamase.
Yeah, so yeah, that's it. Good morning.
Good morning, Mini Abema.
Me patch your frozen.
We have one Catawadi na now say Jacobu Abu this year.
Yo, Nana meet you on a pay.
Lady Kai, my main fast setting, Cassia, a media, a Busino Queen in a no fast in a Najua Soki, and Kwame Fum, one more program, just no fast phone in and I mean, me a bar, Civality. I mentioned about Mensa. I'm a baby, will be a my setting. Na me am wa fa se na najwa sekin so on dia sutro mienu me si mintimi mfrɛ me wa fa se me hu asema me mfrɛ no pa meka na so nyankopɔn na ti me ɔyɛ ase me dia bia asema ya me taka sɛ ya ne nipa nti nyankopɔn hyehyɛ ase senka dadi da hɔ ye betie se Daddy Lumba na da hɔ wontimi nsɔre wontimi nye sei adɔfo no nyankopɔn de obi ntimi ne mprehwe wo wu de ne tiri mo de ne ɛno nti mpanyimfo se ba mu wo ne kyade a nia wo pɛ no no wu agye na ka sika e ka ho de e ka japade a ka Ghana fo beton ye ho de agye Daddy Lumba nanso ye ton anye yi ti de me kan ne se me nua ba nso te ho no Nyankopɔn chichi ne werɛ na won hye ne din na Ghana fo nyina ye hye ho de ne me nua be ma ya na bi mu ba o mo se ye ma ye ho yakɔ Daddy Lumba ne ma ne yakɔ ne mu ye ne ye ti ase no ye hye ye ho de ne yan hye ye ho de ne a ebeye drama ye nti Daddy Lumba no de yaw ekɔ nti ye ma Daddy Lumba yakɔ ye ma dem ni fedie die nya mani hu no na ye nchiri ma no so ye hye ye ho de ne titru ene ne yere esan so obi a wɔkɔba na wɔn nsa kɔwa no sɛ wowu a wan hye ho de ne a ebetumi afa otirim enti ne ma ɔte asefo hye den ne ma owufo yakɔ ni abema na me nka ho ate ye ma ye nyina ye ho hye den
mate me da say good morning.
Good morning.
Me patch your frozen.
I am from Edison.
Okay, say free him fa.
Me ka say free do you.
Ma meet you on a pay.
Then open ni na ka ye ma won hye. Won say na na padu ka asem bi. E wa ni nyomu. Ose so ko bia yi ase. Na ko to so bi su pa hwe ni ko ma ni su. Esan so bia wo ni ti a su. Nti emi ba Shee ene ye ma me ye nyina ye tena ase. Na adi nyina mu no Onyankopɔn ena nipa nkwa ene owo ekura no. Ye nyina ye pe Daddy Lumba asem ye pe ne nyom pa me hu no daba me pe ne nyom pa. Ya mo free mu no ahame. But deal for nyina e ma mu nyina hyede. Na mo me ya ka che mo ne se oti ase no se na na mo ne nam no. Omuso de na so waja enyuma wa achi. Eti ye nyina so de Bible time achi. Na me mu ye bia no. Enko so e ma nyina. Ye da waso.
Yeah, so yeah, that's it. And I pay. Me fa calls ni me na fi fa phone in. Ni FNC. My main kind Facebook messages not kakra. Emmanuel Ba Odame also rest well, Daddy. You've paid your dues. Rest well, legend. Good morning.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Me patch your frozen.
Patch on from me frefi anya deeper life.
Ma meet you.
Yeah, damasi. At the pa moye mojama ye. Damasi ye na ya shrade. Ya see. Wo kwade am kwentumi na yan shade. Lady not travel. Ono so shade. Na nim ma pa oye buade Lumba mo njaida.
Okay.
Bombo de non tiaso. Hitman me mamu na yakɔ. Na yan titiri yan re ya hwa de kase.
Yo.
Nim say that did we wusu onwu ye. Ne sunsumita ye ti yan se sunsumita nechi.
Okay.
Bia yan se bobo ya damasi pi. Bye bye.
Bye. Yeah, that's it. Kobe as someone live on Facebook because Shee, I like her voice, Papa. The voice here me there. And the best condolence to us. Nyankopon and Father Daddy Lumba. Kra NCA. Good morning.
Hello, good morning. Hitman.
Yes, sir. You're frozen.
Oh, me did this like Obiba. Me did na aye Obina live chat no so no.
Okay, my mean to you.
Daddy Lumba deɛ ɔyɛ nipa bi a yɛsi yɛka na asɛm a yɛntumi wie nnɛ yɛma yɛ the whole year nso a yɛntumi nka wie.
Okay.
Na neɛ ɛwɔ mu ne sɛ ɛnwom no yɛne ofiri kwa no beebi a ɛyɛ ne dɛ paa ne adɛn na ɛndɛ aka wo nko a ba wade ka yɛaka asɛm bi wɔ hɔ before a adɛn na ɛndɛ a bɛka wo nko a no saa asɛm no menti aseɛ pɛndɛ nti sɛ mobɛtumi aboa me kakra deɛ a ɛbɛyɛ ne dɛ
consuati DLFM yɛbɛkyikyiri mu ai
nyame nka mo ho yo medamase
yɛn so yɛda ase papaapa mabusua yɛntumi mfa calls no bi ma ha ana yɛde bɛsim 20 minutes after 8 Kwadwo so what is sending nkɔmmɔ no ɛkɔ no messages ne ba na ɛba ma mente we free one afei yɛnhwɛ we improperly Janet Oforiwa says so good morning Brakwabna, my condolences to you and the workers of DLFM and the family of the late Charles Kwadwo Fosuh DLFM Callers Association for and the message we buy and I pay as give me more make a clear na fi one far projection ni emfama me now on the front page of the Chronicle newspaper no and I pay aba on the front page of the Chronicle. Front page of the Chronicle. Oko Bible ma Chronicle ya den Bresosem.
Sure.
Bresosem and the Chronicle no. Bresosem. And the Chronicle. Now on the front page of the Chronicle, I pay banner headline kesiya pa, caption kesiya pa, and a daho. Daddy Lumba deserves state burial. Dr. Bawumia and I can say, what do you think of my free her?
Nti bra kɔbra sɛ de wadi kan bɔso no aka ne Frank Atwini edema MPP ɔsono kokokwa manyuku no ɔno kura nso ne yɛ mampene dada bedi akyire and ne den de Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ede nsema to dwe sirim sɛ wohwɛ esapa yɛn papa yɛdi ne ho nkɔmɔ anopa yi Charles Kwadwo Fosuh Daddy Lumba wanya ne baabi kura no na ehu behia sɛ ɔmamu nyina no penifo begye atomu na anka yɛsie no ɔma no edi mu ɛnyɛ sɛ busua bi ɛna ɛnyɛ wɔn mayie na mmom wabɛyɛ akyɛdeɛ de ama ɔmamu no nyinaa ndinka ɔno susu sɛ nka bɛboa de a na anka ɔmamu no nyinaa mpenifo ntomu na anka yɛnsie no sɛ yɛ a obi wu ɛwɔ ɔman no mu a ɔyɛ panin bi a de bere bi kita na ɔmu sie no na ɔman no nyinaa tɛ akyire yɛ na ɛyie no nka osusu sɛ saa na ɛyɛ papa Daddy Lumba nso na ɛyie na anka na ne bɛgye ho nti wɛni adesra ɔmampani dada bɛdi akyire a ɔno kura kutu franka de ma MPP ɔsono kokokwa manyuku no ɔfempem yɛ nadu na abato no mu no Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia adesre nie
okay na no pay what aba
ne wo hu sensema wɔka no nyɛ ɔno nko ne nipa wadi kan aka and mahye badwafo pii nanso na wotwe mu kaka ho sɛ ɔmo Ghana mahye badwam wokɔ kpanda mahye badwane Matthew ɛyɛ indam waka ho asɛm ene be
ono kɔtro nyum wɔ parliament wɔ
yeah sure yeah ono na ɛkɔ
no sɛ galamsey nyina tokrum na dia
tokrum hwɛ dia de pa akɔhyɛ tokrum ɔmo nyina aka ho nsɛm sɛ bɛyɛ anka ɔmampanin ne aban a etia be nwa so efi sɛ wɔn mo nsɛm na tumi wɔ wɔn mo nsɛm na tumi wɔ enti ko mo nyina srɛ sɛ company fo bɛte aseɛ dia wo hwɛ yɛ papa to yɛ a bra kɔbra de ba ko a ama dodo na kam na omo ya adwen ne se oman mi nipa pi na wonom efiri oman yi mu ko a me kwane so omo konse de omo efiri omo wu efiri oman yi mu and o hwe nipa dodo wonom wu oman yi mu a yenim ama mpanifo bi a wonom awuru kro ene omo bedi akiri bi omo wu kro ene ni pretinti etitiru pa oman yi mu omo efiri mu na bra kobna wo hwe papa wi na nipa I mean edia be ne oman yi mu bra kobna ene yenyan and bibia dia dance se papa ye nipa bi a in fact omen dodo na etwa adwadwo pa and wo hwe mampani dada wanya ne baabi kro Professor Evans Atamresa wanya ne baabi kro wu ye no omen mu nyina bobna e ma atumu se na obi esu na so papa de ye ditwa
papa wo kan asemi ofiri mo wo tre ne nwom no
ankrata
wo kan ne nwom ayeto ma no no
ekomene
me se enwom ayeto ma
oh make hyper
ye di areho ni nyina ma mi na to ye
oh
we video no
rakobra sa nwom mampanin dada wanya ne baabi kro John Evans Atamresa sa nwom na all stars for ne ye
ma mi na hihye bibia
oh wow
aje wosam
na say ye nua ba yi no sebe we de on fan cheme say oyaboa preku a oyaboa nka de betutu preku ho
nenum ede
na chiri so ede pa se Kofi bi se de okan ye no bantuma Kofi Boachi in fact saa nwom na eyenwom baako a metibia na mewura ho na ekenya me pa ne wo hwa ye papa frɛ wo frɛ mu na wiase nyina so no na so papa de bra ko bredi twam ana no ayese yenkohia mu ewo the Independence Square na
ya mimi de twam
mimi na twam nya na yenkoso ka na aduan fa hwe nanimu no yenyina nim de esi ye yes ebimu firi kumase titi omo chacha mu sunyane ne ade bankra ha enya ne na wotwe dawo ena enya na yi yenkoso ka na aduan fa hwe ne kwan mu
vigil no
I'm telling you yen nim de esi nkra ha we kire wo se yem papa wuo no aha wo mamu ni nyina
obi sa vigil mponi na yi no
ena sat now ebinimo atwa ahwe ameka sere bi makoko ma papa wuo yes enti kire wo nipa ya ka ne ho asem
and the one thing is irrespective of our political affiliation say MPP NDC yen nyina ye baako ye papa free mu no Andra His Excellency former president of the Republic of Ghana John Ajekum Kufuor die wo bae na menini di nkomo
sure
and uti nkomo a wakaye no Andra nkomo papa kaye no say Daddy Lumba wo no aha ne papa apa aha no papa apa and Daddy Lumba nwom no eye nwom a wotie ni yie pa isansa bawum andoma chede a Nyankopon de ma Daddy Lumba no de musronko so Nyankopon mo obi a chede na so Daddy Lumba de ne de de musronko na mbusa president say na ono no Daddy Lumba nwom ben na ye ne favorite pa oti de okan ye
pa
o si Teresa nwom no Teresa no
odikan ebeka ankwanoma na mom oka ankwanoma no wie no ochire mi se Teresa ne de ono no yere e de Teresa tisa na tie de a na
so one hour live on Facebook no where you have videos of Andra former president His Excellency John Ajekum Kufuor eba no where Daddy Lumba fie
ya menshira
o join here live on Facebook adwuma pa azigi wa bo adwuma papa ana pe me prepare chama na kama pa
we he ne ya prepare
my friend actually you know His Excellency former president eba no na o video na won abo Collins Owusu amankwa funeral planning committee no on vice chairperson
for Collins
Owusu amankwa ana pe yembo na baso
so obafia be kasansa
ye be di nkomo ye don't be di nkomo when him say by close of the day by close of the day no da ye ready ye papa na wotwe no ye de betudwa nti we ye former president John Ajekum Kufuor wo ba no papa Kufuor na eba no to obaya na me so metoche no
me kai pa
na me so papa endi nkomo
za hanu ama na ntena se
dabi
onam kwan so na wotoche no
na metoche no kwan no so na me so papa endi nkomo kakra papa so ne yedi nkomo
oyade pa wu se na security ne kra no be se nka ye ntwen na nka wotena se ya
dabi papa ya ma papa ntwen
ya ntwen en ono so te yase e ma ono so tumi ne yedi nkomo in fact na yade na nika
to Kufuor at that time.
I say, wow.
Yeah. So that time,
sure.
So yeah, studio work, na Lumba Kade, she and you is related to him because on to Munkade Sasso. So the Bakade no was
now we have ballot paper no so.
No that. Hey. And then the Odu the time and they played as a political song for him at that time.
But Kwadwo we no
message o kan sempa o oni me say sa anwum we o kan ho asem kasa na me wo duampompo no and that very season no na mo ye campaign no anwum MPP for boy bebia na enam say no that last class here holding tina o mo nam asa ni ase ho yentumase ho no krepa and that dia anwum na ma MPP na mom ebesi so
also in there wo baba kada see ho na de ho be so they also added it to their
okay so mzigidi abekwa chire kakra abra ye papa mma no eba no Charles Kwadwo Fosuh Daddy Lumba mma no eba no won wo ba no until one wobano. Na Busunya Chairman so Nijina Wobama, you know. Yes, Sinamani Bono Corso, and I want out here live on Facebook, no, the whole videos, no. But Kwadwo, when say your point of pay, you're the part 2 of the show.
Yes,
sure. T4.
Said the money Bennis.
Aha, the bebro at T4.
Now, if I be alive, Daddy Fear.
But then as one more better da, you be dear papa.
No crown a man common more there. And a Hankwan Biaya station on better first.
Yes.
Yeah, can we are now man for what was so at Wapetiama. Eh, internet they said ye TB and a die young papa and now what you need be dino. Andra da said in penny for the cowboy money and one way the Kanyako, a Santimera. Utumu was say to tossing your name so when I could dink Montiene, number pa die the bear ye and papa now watching a hontoma. Now DLFM so we say penny for niya kasa na na microphone so nikitawo tin komon be die ni nyina no be call live mom hu de ekoso ntin o mon stick to DLFM 106.9 the better form bia no o maso betinti bra na ye ka chronicle ho sensem no yam fancy
oh okay so Andra busua Daddy Lumba busua ekuhia wopem so na setu e wo kumase menhia and what they call true wopem so anim say one this year Charles Kwadwo Fosuh Daddy Lumba Daya one sorry.
Okay.
Na Daddy Lumba kwaya de share preokupe. Ti se daddy ya free mo a. E wo se wotumi ko. Menhia kwa himfie. Kwa ka kire opem so se de abani. Ti we daddy abusua. Pani ene ebo amane. Ya kire na se tu se de abani. Daddy Lumba Daya.
Wonim se mpenifo bu bebi kan se mi se pani dua mante. Sometimes bibi besi penny no wobete na so mpanifo mo anan tu anamoma na so a ote hodin eno nani kotu awisie ena ode hwemo sisi ya mpanifo abo anan akwa na so no mse ya papa nso fira sentimental mu
no ode hye so pa
yes o de hye pa enti yentumi nye papa nhye ye bia fa na yi na wotwe ho mra asantemawura ne nsani ase enti anamona mpanifo na tu ni yade ye ni so ene de o masese o muso etu sa na mo no yesi amekese no ma no brakobra ni mse papa bu na owu ye no sisi no dodo na e ka se yemfa yi ni kwa sentimental mu ebi so kire se yemfa mrankran ha na minim bia potia eye we ye be ye no in fact enya asem kuma wo mai mu e papa yi no
yebetu ho
abana e be yire sesra
yebetu so abana
telling you bedu bedu wa hwa ye die kokrometi ba kwoto aba wo because asentimental mu fo ne kire mi se yanya yi ni wo ho no ma wa hwe ni ye omuso be ye omo de yes o mani abre pa en wo be kai a sa veje ne kra ye kwaye ye no en omo ka so omo de ne be koso na wotwe we ye wie and still na omo obi mo organize bi omo ye na sentimental mu o mani abre
na me adoma wo chena ye ne Gideon na yekwe be di nkomo creative art agency won see you ye ne be di nkomo yes na wa confirm ne ma ye because Saturday be ye movie radio nyina ade akokuma sem na vigile ba so
be me dese sister betumi adwane
ye be ko
ho no ye be di nkomo ye ba panwum ho nka mani beje pa and the voice and in fact mene voice ne keke se wutie ase ho nwom na brakọ bana voice na da chiri no in fact e mo des na no mana
ase ho no
abeti
bia me de kra ekome ho
brakọ na sister we voice no you see nyankopon wo adoma chede a wode ma wo bia na ne de no in fact se wutie a na we ye bema na sister we voice da se atum say yes ekoyi pa and may yen try to be hypocrite yen kan okrenchire ho asofo ne pe ena asompenifo na nije ho ena members na edi o mwachire ne so ye pepa ena ya minhira no ne adoma chede nyamede ma no wan fansie na wapa ho ntoma ma yenyine yenye so mfa so nyaminhira ne pe ye bompa yes yankopon ema na onyini kire na onya bre wakama no ntena fie na da achi bia ne yetumi akusua bibi nso afiri ho se de ye papa nso aye ni ena yenyine hwe ne mu kwan but brakobla said the mpenifo na kan ye hwe ni mu se Ghana man peni adesrade mpenifo ahodo bi e ka fa se papa be ya o mamu ni nyina ye nyuntum na yensi ni wo man ni din mu no ye hwe so man peni be betu na mu tuo
Kwadwo mayen club bi wa ha anya busua na kase
no
ye here stage barrier Ghana for na
ye man mu adehye ni bi mpenifo bi a o maka bi ewom e na wo no susu senka be ya anka yenya ni saa entinye ye papa wonya ni ba bi kwa busua ana na adwuma ayefo ana ni management team and they push for no
o deserve
ye nyane saa ye pe but se Ghana man peni ni wo mka bi ewom no se de ma hye bedwafo ni bi aka ne MPP amanyo kurumu penifo bi even including NDC amanyo
kurumu penifo. Video yeah that's ya
Omampeni dada
Kufo. Ebra all signing the book of condolence. Ewo Daddy Lumba fie.
Okay.
Nti papa Kufo. Ana etro no. Otro. But Kwadwo yentie nyum wo sesa nyum na e wada
o em de pa.
Ekwa me ho no. Ana e wada.
Manager ho pa. Ne voice na das ye ne keke no. In fact
ana ekwa ho.
E mo de design no manam.
DLFM 106.9. DLFM 106.9.
And energy, we didn't team into me now. Mika, let me see me every day. Come on, come on. Because someday my dream. Come on, come on. Because someday my dream. All the Sunday February, all the silver share me go. All the silver yeah me ready. Obia say fraud on do. All the silver February. All the silver share me go. All the silver yeah me ready. Obia say fraud on do. Just a fool back if ya. Who just say I do? Who just say I do? Just a fool back if ya. Who just say I do? Who just say I do? Fenyim no do power chida fedara. Odo yenu wawa bin kode. Sasia way, Asia way, Sasia way, Asia way,
DLFM 106.9.
Sasia way.
Marriage certificate, Nunye, Ebanu critical,
DLFM
and then they were a special. Made the crate, that I see a honoma, I see a honoma, I see a honoma, all the fating so. Marriage certificate, Nunye, Yen in them, I am coffee, and then you ray me no day, Obibo Mayem, a soft wood, Malam Ribo, Faudo Ibreme, Faudo de Miame, Asiano, eh, Bushame,
Sasia way, Asia way,
DLFM 106.9.
Asia way, Sasia way, African woman, African woman, African woman, African woman.
Marriage certificate, Nunye, Yen in them, I am coffee, and then you ray me no day, Obibo Mayem, a soft wood, Malam Ribo, Faudo Ibreme, Faudo de Miame, Asiano, eh, Bushame,
Sasia way, Asia way,
and energy, didn't team to me, I know, Mika, I'm dreaming, yummy, coming home,
oh, baby, come me, cause someday my dream. Just a fool back if ya. Who just say I do? Who just say I do? Who just say I do? Just a fool back if ya. Who just say I do? Who just say I do? Who just say I do? Bawa chida fidara, odo yenu wawa, wawa minkoje.
Auntie Daddy Summer Chen. I see a while. I do. What did your daddy kai?
Metis daddy say in chain. And yes, sister Tunimonu, Bibi Hornament, yes, ye.
Fano.
Who say, what can I say what now? Can be so baby Horner? I don't know.
Maybe I met a come home.
I want to meet ye, and I say who in be bishop baby cry. What
be so?
Or can't wait to be over, but my answer met I say,
sir.
Yeah. What a crown of Serna. Mentia, I wouldn't remember I was say I was born you mono. And I'm young Cassa, me Erda Barco. Erda fire. And or the message Abano was a massa. Opedia, Yanawali, Yanawale.
Someone got you.
Yes, and many day are doing. And my Erda, and Tiasia say, na semana wakana mesum. Na wedi e yesu amisuma awade fo no. Awade fo ne pe. Minya wade de but in fact metanyum ne mu de. We kire we say awade ba akono. Nti ye hwese bi tietia wo mana machi na wasande abase in fact daddy nwum de. E so for my pie na niji hu yi pa. The last time na me kan wa. Daddy we no friend bi sam say nshiraba. Eye no krese daddy e free man pa na me so eye no kre. And in fact uti ni super or ye elder ni de elder Daniel Ejejima. Na o si daddy nwum. Oh, Church of Pentecost.
Okay.
Yes. Church of Pentecost. And or say dodo na anti daddy nwum na se. Enwum ne guma hodo. Enti de wo pe no na wafa. And wo hwe daddy nwum abrabọ nwum enwum ahodo a woto na. Wo ye obi a wo ye badwen ba na odwen ko akira. Behu say yes. Oka unyansasem. And enwum ne bebere nso enyam nwum a eto akoma so na eka wo nyame asem ankasa. Enti wono mfa daddy nwum eni agro. Daddy nwum bi e wasase we so no bi ebi wono fon so. Enti mire owom ne tibia owom no ehon nwum no ono obo ena wotie. Ena do pai wotie na obo ya baso na adwuma pa yeye. Enti wo elder Daniel Ejejima no pai ye chiaw ene nkoden a won so kota ye chi. En mo a mo ye mo ho sei nyatwemofo na mo de mo pese mo be ka no kre no. Twege mo a. Aha.
You na o se ase ono ba ku bi wa wonte ho.
Ho kakra no manti ni ye. Nchen ne de metie na ase hoye no. Ni nyina metie ba bibi wo ho ba bi.
Bibi she ho.
Bibi she ho.
We sure.
Where si bi she ho man sha.
Kwadwo we sure say bibi she ho.
Where si ni bi wo ho a manti ase ye. Na ka be pese ho no nka ye nya ho kakra no ma na nka wa kyerem de na wo pese wo ka ho. Metie ase ho no nchen no so metie ba bibi kakra wo ho ba bi.
Bibi kakra wo ho.
Ndi bibi kakra she ho ba bi.
So no one tie.
Musande one tie. Isa ho fese obeboa ya enwom no break ne down a ase ho no ene nchen de bio na aka source because me hu se bibi she ho ba bibi.
And me media me
come ho ne de I'm say you are so emphasizing on come ho ne.
Tie bronies repetition is for emphasis.
Emphasis I understand you. E what Matthias here. E ho no come ho no Matthias here. E na nchen Matthias here.
It's my honor to know.
E come home. Call me tete.
Call me dedum.
Call me home. Waka asem debi Emma atomi trim.
E hono na mpese metie no.
Waka asem debi matomi trim.
E hono a menti ne ye nti afi no wa Matthias waka asem debi.
O se hono ye to ne say e call me home.
Call me tete.
Call me.
Call me home. Kasim David Matami train.
I no pay any that so Obia na Danny Pony.
Mia,
Heaven fire, heaven fire. Found up, nobody near that you. Found up, nobody near that you. Found up, Fosuh near that you. Near that you. Fosuh near that you. And to my baby, only can't take my baby. My favorite ride. Now got to swap. In a time when out of my baby. My son, my now baby, I'm quiet.
Kwadwo tia baby Enquire no. So ni my baby e.
Na nyoma no me kura nya na waka me nim sa baby Enquire kura wo.
Abi Enquire nyina wo.
Anyom
na Enquire nyina wo mu.
Enye engwan ketengitin wo nsuo mu.
Ah, ye fenem.
Eno no in fact say wonsa ka bia wonhia ene nam bibira de be Enquire. Because when you ho na we be man enka so won fe ba kun we na aduane kura yasa. Ene mu ode pa me kai that time I yet na kura se ne ade a ekwesu bontim. Ene ye kwase sawo men ye ntokwa nyina tumi bam. Du ba bia tumi se bi o ma akese ye kama.
Enti that tonwom na shi nso abam na ababi Enquire me mfine sem.
Na baby Enquire.
What here?
Me yembi sane so no abebie no watena baabia ya bia wo yi bi won so mu pan.
See na sa part of the song no. That in a trauma one as a one now create share ho ababi Enquire. Na wo finish say mwa.
Say a friend then I'm not sure, but if you nana mizi zagor.
Yes, abebie no woni mi say ye fe.
No.
What be pay?
Oh, in your pay.
So pa baby.
Papa.
Wow.
In your
baby Enquire.
As they are being con.
Me ba nya botare tena hemfa. Omo frase. Akra here. Na abebie no kunya na wanyefa.
Mana nana Yosefi e man kasimba.
Oh, okay.
No. Number papa so call e gomu akrama e Yosebiba.
Gomu akrama.
In your hona mifi. Proud.
Anya botare.
And man kasim. Gomu akrama breku. Opposite here, Kasha here,
me mother, the crew no.
Gomuakramaya.
I'm telling you,
Jesus Christ.
It's Lord.
Me mother, the crew no. Me na mu yenya when you see one.
Wow.
What's
my vision? In your whara. A honor papa fi and a mammy for mankasim.
Wow.
Mammy for my
junction.
In your Akrama yara.
Program crew.
In a time when out of baby, my son, my now baby
Enquire. Interesting. You now gas me.
Yeah, and I be sana baby no.
Baby no also on the ho pa.
Sisi akra de wa ye me crew me ni preko pe enti eye busua ne sa. And a baby no wa fi bi da bia no woni me say de in fact more that is no man. Na de memu ye de pa ne say wa fi a
baby no de aba Enquire no.
Aha, wo de bo aba kwan na. Oh. Na uyi nam ne firi mu a de di akire ma ne ye de kra ne ye nkwan na aka mu na wo betwe afiri mu no. In fact Obia wa bi pen bia na wafia bia da no nim de make e yetena kurase ache ndi ye kan nim de ye ka wafe na ketwa ne hia bia na nkasa na pie ne nam na pie na ba no enkwan bi de akira bra kobna egurade nyame a
and atama no
in fact
nkwan no ada na mo yesa no pay
isi we nya sana it say apofin nkwan
apofin to the national
emu de pa
ododo mo yesa nye
wa wontina kurase da na wunya bi I mean wunya bi enwe da no wunnim de ye kan na me ma wo hyeden ne kafra nso you say aye wade ahradze pa
tinwom no oto a sa baby Enquire
en made otie me no ontie ne ye ensem no mo kan no mo kan si asem bi so o yo do ho asem no mo kan sa no ana me pa cha nya sa
Oh, I am quite
I baby,
I baby, and yen daddy said or turn your ma or your penny or boobepa, and somebody be one more. Was
somebody one man were friend to ma
into a boobe.
We had time when decoding you.
Aha, when decodia, daddy knew the door. I want to boys and decodia. Ratchet, won't you say?
Benjamin knew also so he had decoding.
There be, we need the idea, we know. Black when you see and decodia might here for you, how want to say. Said the year can't be Enquires, when ya. Or Becco a crazy copia of faces here, but Nin I fine, no mono. A order some money, a
baby Enquire. Your film. Hey, a baby, I don't know.
I'm catch it.
DLFM, DLFM.
You too hardcore. Ready, me. Yako shebia. And I'm a pay your credit. You too hardcore. Ready, me. Yako shebia. Yako shebia. Yako shako 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 shebi. Yako shebi. Yako shebi. Yako shebi. Yako shebi. Yako shako 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 shebi. Yako shebi. Yako shebi. Yako shebi. Munche ni adi pakoshe akoshe tokuro ni akoshe tokuro ni akoshe tokuro
106.9
Munche ni adi pakoshe akoshe tokuro 106.9 tokuro ni akoshe tokuro mama semu mama na semu misha dukuro ni odem
DLFM 106.9
semu misha dukuro
DLFM 106.9 DLFM 106.9
Awisho nyakoshe tokuro nyakoshe akoshe tokuro mama emunche ni alibakoshe akoshe tokuro nyakoshe tokuro nyakoshe akoshe tokuro mama semu Misha dukuro Mama, say me shimwani. sasia, down. I just say asia, down. I just say tokurum, nama, tokurum. I just say sasia, down. I just say asia, down. I just say tokurum, nama, tokurum.
DLFM 106.9.
No going go take mama. No why was this? No shaky was this? No control. No going go take. No why was this? No shaky was this? It's me nebi enye. Don't pay me enye. It's me nebi enye.
Okay. Ajo.
Yeah, black obra.
Na me pese me ani Shee disa nkomo way.
Answer na nonka.
Me ba Kwadwo me ba. As you are crying more than the bereaved.
Matthew.
Nyabotre.
Yo.
Kwadwo nyabotre wate?
Matthias yepa.
Na mimbusa Shee asem way. Shee wako abo ase pen.
Oh God.
To go the pain. Kwadwo.
Asembisa we den sanka ezigibi asembisa o.
Dabi. See, Dabi. You di code nyom no.
Oh, okay.
You di code nyom.
Ze de nyom na tro machine so a ye papa mu o. Ne ye hu de hyehyehye ne ni ase.
Sa pepepe.
Fine pra.
Wotie nyom na. Wose onya bia wontu ye. Se wo hyemu ani.
Se wo hyemu ani. Meti sika krom so ho.
Sika krom.
Oboase.
Na me busa Shee so wakọ oboase pen.
Makohada.
And I'm so quite no quiet, they'll go too good.
Oh, you could be so good, I know.
Who be so good?
In
but one could to be. Now you're the one who's saying you shame when ye.
Oh, say, Daddy, the also call my soda. Uncle, how woman I would to golden.
It's that in a catcher or say, oh, boss, no. Good, no. It's a took room.
In your.
Into one year beer. Send you shame when ye.
Or the enye bis entumura a one na and paying sapan.
Sure.
Until they'll
call me. What to Chronum Quadia? What's all the baby refuge?
A honey, your corner, or would a me and qua.
No credit.
And to win your Munkutodia, and yes, or then Sapine Bow, a Obia. As of course, I saw the big crab. No credit,
no credit, no credit.
I want to be quiet.
And see, I don't know the aqua like a Roma. Or there's Biba in your
Tukrum one,
Uncle Hawker,
Uncle in your.
And then I show Bunko to you.
I go to your bemo. I wanted the man.
I show Bunko to do. Now, one was
Elcon now open in a madam. Oh, a baby, I say, okay, no, I bet him. I do Bunko to be now.
Now, one will see. Now, one will see.
I'm Ramuko to Scarcon. Oh, okay, I wanted it. And you made this a new ranutino. When the person may go home. The Omo cow monster on the balcony into a normal way. Quam fast or mutimi, Eura, took Runuma, Mukon, or Musisina, Mukubunku to be kind when I do not watch it in my
such a one was sissy.
One wine was sissy.
Every dossy, when they were a rumor like on your straight road, on your straight.
Ese kwano achiachi
kwano
biko benkum biko nifa biko apie biko atoye
iti ibone on kwatin nti
why can na point enwa
eche on kakra ene de ekosha onyaza abotuma ejinem o de akuntrum ebi wo ho de ebu na
so the galamsey fu asem ne ye kan yo
inyo galamsey fu asem an
ejuma ne ejuma pa
but also galamsey asem ne ye tell no abo ma tun na da
with your wife just play that Lumba's music and you'll be fine. Mr. Speaker, even if you want to go and do galamsey, play that Lumba's music and you'll be encouraged. Mr. Speaker, the man is a legend. If you want to know with your wife you have a problem, just play odo me pe wa sempa o na abo hia pem 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 odo me pe wa sempa o na bo hia na mpira di pantia me pe wa sempa o hia na wa kira di pantia daddy me pe wa semu bebre. Your wife is good to go. Mr. Speaker, Munke Babia de Pakoshe Akoshe to Krum. Mr. Speaker, this is for the Galamsey people. Munke Babia at the Pakoshe Akoshe to Krum. So you know that you know where to go and harvest. Mr. Speaker, so as for Daddy Lumba, if you're a young man, Mr. Speaker, if you're a young man and you want to make life, listen to Daddy Lumba's music. I'm telling you, if you play Daddy Lumba's music, Mr. Speaker, you'll be good to go.
Kwadwo.
Back of
She was.
Into
it was a bono. Tokro no. And yes, straight is
Dabi. We at the said the walk or so that he knew moon. A quano, a wapa, and a de demo straight to say, no man.
And demo yo.
It be fun, change before I say, but quantably woman.
And say, when I quaint to mean him, and say, you if you are us, baby, but do not a one very short. So, like, you can't walk and you can't even if you kneel, it's very
sometimes
hard. Yeah, so if you order a hand, see, or your bundle in some
now what I
yeah,
to chromosome.
The one year, Sika Krum.
Or a skull yeah. And also then as a punisher. Even the one and I as a gold say as a poet very
precious. Yes, Bracobra, baby, at the Pebia, and Nadi Benina Hokum Susa. Sound them not check in your.
Kobia, someone live on Facebook because she this one day you go explain tire. Kobia, someone at the about Facebook because she this one day you go explain tire. Look at the lyrics. Daddy Lumba. 3 times not sure yet. Wahaya Papa. You were the buyer. Yara sorry say ow. Daddy Lumba. Wahaya Papa. Intino Kwadwo. Tokrono.
And said you all can and ceremony dear. Obia better than the say. Daddy dear, on what turn you, the power that turn you mono actually moon, some for daddy, a ditch no. Ever you to no na. Oh, send some of your cabby the Barbara boom. Swan farm Barbara booma, won't you say? And the what you say, in fact, say a bubenia tebe, it's ya, or motor once. Nanya dear to be chada. Entina will be the abase. She go spend Tayano. And in any bet Tayo, no so what if you know with you, no bet yes and no abrepa. No sense one thing at the Asiano. No, no so briefly say. Yet, the Asio baby. Or no baby, or no fan or Miss Mo be angry, be a Miss Me free ba. Miss Metemedi Asio. And you being the host and so with Genesis, I was see. Is giving on what tear for dinner to also dear demono. Honestly, with Genesis, we see moves were witty and so odd yet. And Tian Tiadiase, Mimetiasia power baby. And we are Danya. I am Mamre.
What could I say? Any be our Yana. Semi be any. Don't come
in.
Say in ye be our Yana. So don't say when they say
at the pass on when you be a Yana. And send for Yana, yeah. Fatana so no so to me at the panic.
Yes,
I see.
Wow.
I see. There's a 2-room honomono. Ukwa de niema pani
na ne pani nyina wo
niema pani na wase ho
utumi bowura ho anso amane sapan
no kre
at work was ade bibi kakra e de ba fonten na utumi pon ho kakra e de hwefi and more to nyum we no be kan say that is so be born nyum bi children of the future we say kagalam say asem e no boss anyum no say wo ka sa anyum no so a wo ka kire say me yen sa asase no into o si tokro no yentu nkwa akire munya abotre boko
akoshe tokro akoshe tokro mama semu shishe mama na semu misha dukro iwodem nti semu misha dukro iwodem.
Live on Facebook will be back to Paul. In fact, Yvonne, she has done what I remember those days, Cinderella, Free and Posa. I don't see a come up. I don't know, say a bono.
I would say, Daddy, na on pese beko ye be surface mining.
Daddy,
yeah.
What's the children of the future?
Yeah, we hear you moon semina. Or say, you're when I say that na yasa, no environment, you know, any yinsu, and yes, I that any bebre, more friendly DH ban, or be una manepa. and watch us at the publish tokro no me dia yensa be ka bi ne dia bobra na saa de pa no obesere se me yenye ni surface mining yentu nkɔ fam kwachire yentu ye boat ne yentu mo su kombo matu I mean tokro kwachire ne ye kwachire a ye benya de pa no na eno ne de ensa ya sase ene munkum nipa enti ko oboase a those days na no mutu efum agudie no bra kɔbra mutu omboase tu amu na ne kwachire fom pass on mada fom e de dia kwasase na se ene bra kɔbra na intensi se obete se mu na kura buaku nipa na wonte se ye sensu ene yakwaye ene yensa ase ne se de ibinimo ye no no enti dade nwom no de free baby na baaye odi kan bebo children of the future no ene ode sa nwom we baaye se ne ye den a e mofra no mbedidi ye boy atran ye ho ban no mbedidi ntini ye nkwa asase na se ton ni enkoyi nipa na yeska akọ ni bi mra ni fa mehwe mofra ne daache so mom ye hwe na ya nkose no se be ya daache bi ni aso nkọ ye hye enti anwum we no nsem bebre na wu mu ba se de wo te ase me mente ase na me de aba no de se de wo so te ase wu fi no na wa fa ne se be bo ye nyina ana manka ne ye kura
wa kan ye pa
we are metal, we are metal, we are driver, we are driver, we are lawyer. Say go deep and swallow by yourself.
Now back to my second question. We are metal, we are driver, we are MCO, we are lawyer. How many no mutu kala mse ni be Kwadwo?
Was it do at the pass no ma ye den?
Am I a chef? Was it so we are MCO, we are DJ, we are metal. Appear to Sukran so din ka.
Let's say we the asan ye nyina. E duru ho no ma.
Obeso che se nyina ye ntubi. Na gala ye tokrum.
E sa no kan e. Ho kakra no tie ni ye. O se e duru ho na ya ye chef. Nya sa no kan.
E ma ye chef.
Okay. O se e duru ho na ma na ye chef.
Ye machine chi.
Ah sa no kan. Ipa cho chirim kakra. E ho kakra no mo kan ne sen. Say ye mate say lawyer say DJ say dey ye duru ho no makaka na man ye chef am pese mo kire say
say
DLFM 106.9
e duru ho no ma
every day say even in like say muko na good nutu na moba even the moba moba hwen and say oda the pada ma the chef like
but chef no o kire den obi o retain on to chef as no kire obi a chef o kire
so no to go do
me ba me pere yet dam we de na ase obi wa na on to chef na ase chef no kire den wo twim
minim ha makan wo twim
Black Obran chef e kire say wo twim
chef Sunday no Obia won nuan yema wo ye nuane ni ade am
obi o ye nuane
I just say what skill in food preparation but enyo to kromu we chef no to kro we mu chef no de heavy brutal
ba dentia ama asem we anu yi no ye pese ye te ho ase ne se o se ho no sa eduru sam pempenso na
my chef
obobo edin bi she ho mama yam fa ho no ni pesu a we
we are driver we are mate we are MCO we are DJ appear to so edu ade paswa
edi ade paswa
odu ade pada
e ho no mo kan ade pa ne she ho ade pa no ye de ahia
se gold no
ade gold
good na ya ko fa enti ya ko fa good ne ba odu a na ma na wa ye chef
some muka fa ba mbo ba bo hwen
e dey busy
yes
so ese man e ho no de mo menya de padi ananya sa na pese mo kire
ai sesa no pese
e da bi o ne se me ma ko e padi e ba fi a sika no mo de ba no e den ya se be ya nwi sika wo ya mu enti man de be bon kwan de esiesie ye ma yetue bibia di nti anu ye na yegusi we enti ne ma no mema na kwakobɔ adwumaden na o makɔ pesika na ba fie na ye se oba no se de be ma no di bia tie bia no be ma oba no kwama na ye chef wo sam pempenso no se obenya obetumi nya de pani bia ye den edie fisika ne ye nwe nti wakotu sika akɔ na ba
sika ne fan to plate
oh dabi de sika to plate so ankeni o sika ne akɔ abo ne sika no o di bida
dabi
there be said the tibia no the more ba no or the CC idea open no the amount nti sika no yenye ese de bremo
enyo
na se hono kra yesua de afiri mu you go pay sika no ba emfa nhwe wata so nya ayi kaka bensem fa more ba no ba ne nye chef no o ma wa de penny ananya sa
enyo oh na church
in fact we are serious pa
Kwadwo omo twonwom na ho
se
asa what to me decode nyom no so simple
se I say when you pay for na and daddy Obia ne kasa wo kan nyina no if me tie daddy nyum na ebi wana me ntiase and de me ombe kire mu ametiase na me hu be papa ni firi ba o you be odwene kon kan and say when one tawaso ya nsema wo kan wo ntiase and we have be yes sister de nyum ni firi ya de ba ne nsema daddy ka kire ne na sika ne yakofa yakobo se yakofom ho akutu sika akọ na de abafi ba ye ba no
yenya bi so ne mayo
dabi na be den
so
yeshemu ani
so when how can you go in there and just waste the whole day ever and not have anything back? So we're inside to make sure that benya exactly what you went there for. So you have to be fulfilled first. Or they make sure that everybody you feel good that you came back with something.
It's black or brahana washa. It be matu besa we're too better we're free chichi no bank no bepa sikadia ko
anya kwantu kitwa
o bae no emfae we're too better bepa sikako o so beko no obi kura da obi kioso ho no da ho onim botaye bi ode bae ni so adi hu na emamu a onko fie ti se wo hyemu ani o pam no kura obesa da ho because we dey so adi hu bi na bae kuruma ne nsan kanya onko sa no mo kire ye sikako ne de yenya wuro to kurum de bra ko bla de pa bi ehim no yentumi entu awbo a ye beda ho
Pam more than one for the message about it. It seems in Shaba is recording the song more than she. I don't want to outro you, Nana. Hey, that was 106.9, 12 minutes after 9. Then mommy, I can't hear for saying that by close of the day. I was the data. You be dear papa now watching the betuja. I shared Mama Swati with DLFM. And I pay one of Monsieur Mamma come from Lumba in Supernatural and Rawat and Fama. And a 4-year children. We shut at the Lumba, dear Babonton, Yanton. Friend Lumba in Supernatural and Rawat. It's pure in every form. Just get a grip. 240555 274757 0555 274757. We are DJ. We are MC. We are chef. We are metal. So we are chef for Crampa. We brought the password my chef. So we are chef for Crana. My chef.
DLFM 106.9. DLFM 106.9.
Kwadwo tie. Wasi wa kwaji wo hia duro.
Oboase.
Oboase. Sika krum. Okwaji ohia duro. Oboase.
Sika krum.
Amodo yo wado no.
Okwaji owaduro ewo sika krum.
Sika krum. Odaye wado media. Odoye wado media. Miye mi mayo.
Osi wonya bia wonya dan.
Bra kwabra wonim aha na mo kakra na wotro ye no na. Aida Daniel J dia ba wa na asema wo kanie. Me am Aida Daniel J was say
Church of Pentecost.
Yes. Or say ensem na that dey kan mu do na ene say emfa ho no say de wotie say wo ye bema wo ho ofete say hwan na say abo sika wa anyere wo ho amma adwumaden ankope bia ntaa wata so abra kobra ade a wo pe wunya da enye say obetena so abompa ye firi suro those days na Nyankopon to mana ma Israel man nya bidie ni ho bio
say wajaito.
Yes. Into was say ne upese wunya de wo pa ohun say mema no bi watumu sa krachi wo hwe nanim ni say de wote ne ade edi na chi aba kobra in fact mu awrem tumu so wasisi yen ohun otumu say be man ya wo kwei na wo hwe sa hofe pa de anka be ye den say wo ba bi odi na chi ne say betimi aiden aka na so bra kobra bo hwe no wo de sen na bi atumu say wo ye nice guy ade we de anka wunya yanka wo ne se wo enso amfa because kapremo emontuma no wo je da metusre
te kumbo da maso
asa emfa ti eda kira yen say de dade nwumo no eka no oboase wone de yenya akone de ye mfiri tokuro no mu mfiri ne mfiri kina age se yensa ka de ye pe because ye kofi a de ye pe no se be ye bebo ne yensa ka nti tokuro no ye hyem
mi mayo mintu yo mama se mi shemwani
antu wunya bia se wo hyem
oh na unu ayekwa hi dabi enu ti ne yekwa ye ne yensa ka
se mi shemwani minya mi mayo mintu yo mama se mi shemwani sana na fam ajisa sasia
aje asase ase down and ayi ka kire kwesi ye boa eye nsem twere ni madam for pa na mini ne we ifidedem na wo say in fact ya man enene da na yesronko o say wo mse ye di awre ho na nso edu ba bi ase bi yesu kura na efi ye gane ye him eno so be boa ma amayi nkura hye na awre kyekire na o say nani age pa na wotia live na no achi nsoro o say Mr Frempong asante owa aguna na wo so ono so abia tuma anya asem kuma ena no akire nsi quotation so wodoko na yankofu wo nyina abia tuma no pa we ya ono mu nyina tie adwumadi ne life no mani ji age wo fie ho no mo ntia mfa nche akase
omo tie tokuro mu
yes kechire kwesi ebo asat na wo happy fm ho no ye adwuma na o say wachia Mr Frempong asante owo aguna ana afi nso eye quotation no so wodoko in fact anopa ma omo dana yesoro nko no so ye obi a ope eyi asase ase kopa madam fo mako me na me ka kire wo ka kire kwesi ebo a
okwa asase ase
on owura mu kura hu na kire mfuturo kura
ajise tokurum nama tokurum ajisa sasia sit down ajise ajise tokurum nama tokurum ajise
Kwadwo oteya
aje wo
kuntu mu okay na obu anim kotodwe
wo ye dai
obu anim kotodwe
ubu animu
kotodwe
ubu animu kotodwe
so you will kneel down
animu no wo say eyetwi ne ye kan yo kotodwe ne yete ase animu ne kire bibi wo ho animu kotodwe ne ye bebu ba di animu kotodwe ne ye buyi
and ubu kotodwe ni wi
ewo sa de kro na animu a
na wan
sisi to bo ase boko
I love radio.
Enem se tokuro no. Enem tinti no. So to bo ase. Bi baabi a be fa ha na wafa ha sa kakra no wakutu baabi a wo kro. En wan sisi no an to bo ase a. Ahwe a wo be yira kwan.
Bu pa no kra no kan like udu hona se. Ura hona if you have some places are very hard to go through and bu pa into rohi.
Kwadwo wasin tunya bienye
enti yesu yenye bienya na
eye pa
Ghana for ye munti ene ye bre yo eye munti ene ye buko todwe yo
ene Ghana for ada
asi enya Ghana for bi wa na eye munti ene ye busa kodo eye munti ene ye wanwan ye sisi Ghana for nti sisi ye nya Ghana for bi wana Ghana for munsodi o Ghana for munsodi o Ghana for munsodi o Ghana for munsu eye munti ene ye wanwan ye sisi ana shi bu kodo dey
ntimi nebi enye odo pe mi enye ntimi nebi enye odo pe mi enye
Kwadwo the tofa bomu nyina te sade pa akwakose tokurum
eno ano no
nyina ensama ye
ne ho asaman
ne tofa bomu nyina ne se ade papa no akose tokurum
ese ade pa yenya na ho gono so ade bi ye ade pa no ye bre ho anse yenya
dem no pa
aha enti se wo ye wadwene se abrabo no pese utunu se mira krachi nya lolo kwan mu ne ye pene kontuno emfa enti ese obru mojani
uya
dwumaden enti wonu ma mopa mo ho ntem anya no bible ne so mo disa kwahwe de watokosu a enyo no ne to ye so ewe no obeyo okwasea dade nwumo ne kwa besi na chi o dise woto nwumo na tie ni se badwenma ye mpesika se ma ye yesisi a mom wo yire wo ho bru mojani
uya dwumaden
dade lumba ye kana asemu ne bra ko bena nya ne wo sha brabo na si o se de ye hu ne o dade asifie wa bobra ne ade no ne wonte saa o so waka babia ne ofiri kire wa ahwe anka ba mbu ye kura manka sa mere wugyae wantumi anto abrabo so Obia na opeso odo nwom ba abonten na sika semti akadem petedu babia ye mu binum ho no ma aya ye abrabo no ho aya ye ntia nwom ne ye na ye ndi code ne to ye level na ye ntiase aya omo ka sem kire ye na ye ne bebire ne ye ntayaso entie sem omo ka kire ye
so besia cry mining so
yes
opache de besia so mining
oba
ona na wo kom yam ya wo do mutufu magudi a e ma ne di ma tintiman pa wo di ma kotene
and besia the whole body
na kasa kra ne I'm telling you mining site
she na chechemu kakra the whole body of a woman no
mining site
yeah nto o se inya o de ehwe ni ye e mining ni ye because a mining ni ye ya obi wa baji wa mining ni ye amo
da bio e hore de munya botre kakra na mama yentiase black na o se e ma no wo muni pedua no eye bia yi
to mining site
bia body enti yemfa nkotwi mu ye e ho no mining site ne tese bia yi to fum agudie wo enti saa bia ya no wonsa kan ya de pa ne wo ho tese oto obo ase na ohwa su yie anya saa na wanya nto bo ase na wanya ni papa obetu fum agudie ne kwampa so na obetu ni basa wa hwe ni na wasasa ne kwa na efum agudie ne se dodo wonsa kan na boa na brabo konkan na aboye Nese mais kako.
Thank you. Ana ranche.
Nese ma no kra no monsem na daddy ka kire mo no. Ese ma ya hwe yi pa. And bra ko be be kan no kra kire mo sa nete be ma nya sika sesen. Na se woni oba wo ne nkyanya a ne sika no fa so obi ani so.
No so ya odu da ye chef.
On say yakwa san besi achiwa.
Sada do nwom na twa ho da
emfa ho ni sika obenya se be bra ko na wo boa kra wo de opanya wiase mu sika ba jiwa ni sen so oba nka ho a wo boa wani nye da pa enti ye ne ye nware ne ye bre pa I'm telling you
ameni lumba de abebom omo de abebom ede do na musom ede na musom no de da ne friamotuam apia to spanyum ninjingum ma ninjingum
and show against Obia kuma and show against and show against Obia kuma
you know been through Obia kuma tio oden mi ama die moshiro
no be
see no be me so oden mo bi ama oden mi ama die moshiro no be
Siama Yabuwa Collins. As you see this one there. These are some of the reasons why I want to mean the code that the Lumba's room. Go with some men's the chef is the German word for boss. I see. I can't hear for say after Jumedia the part 2. From the residents of Charles Kwadwo Fosuh Daddy Lumba fie. And the second half on the bebra. Yeah, part 1 the part 2 the bebra.
Yeah.
She wa.
Me hu say you nua 49 na so de aba no wo say. So ope say winya ade a ope de say oye adwumaden na onya sika.
Asa obi attention otokuro no so.
Ah na bra ko bra 7 na kan. He bra ye kwa ye ba nyina ade ba ko pe o. Oh. Wo de ye nkwaje ade na ye mienu. Hu say ye wasase ne so. Inti asase ne so dwuma ne ye bedie. Nyame ya adom ne ye firi ha so be bia ye kwa ne ye ne nim be bia ye kro. Inti once ye wo form ha ne man na ye bedi hu dwuma. And sika ye pe bebrebe we nyina akire ne bra ko na de opa akokwa ho na ye nkoye voice pop na ye mbise nipa be 10 sika na opa bebrebe ne nyina akire no so wosi dan pa wie ne wotenam otoka wie a no tontale pa no onam kurom bo life ade bi wa ka be mana bra bo na CPS ta ne de bade wo de opa ko bi so bia
ye na wo hwe no ye den
na de nipa bia so wade na onya ho kafo na ne bobra ba ko bna wo de opa ye wo hai ye metna na ye nware ye ho nya fe ye ntoka ne dem nye nam kuruma se oba nka ho abrabo no bra ko bra boa winsipi
nti woni shi ya adwen se nipa oba body no e full mining site
esnis ka ko kra esnis sa mining site na kra e more than that
sa
bema ogwaje mu a na so aye hye pa bra ko bra oba owo voice said your sister voice yitie etwe ben no na ne nipadua ne po ka no keke wo de ma ne nso ne mu ne nipadua ne kra ka ne keke kra wo nyama soronko ye ma be ma no
wo nyama soronko
agese ye pese ye nya atwom ba de ye pese ye ka no kra kire ye ho a wo de opa wo yaw mu e ba se wu sumpo wo nyama bi ma ya tete ne ma but mo ba wa brase said the type on it, and when you didn't want to know and keke. Would ye man whom chew cacre, man and fan who cranes so mukeke, man whom chew cacre. Ube say, a hona, baby, a wabian when a free ho and 10 times so. Abba Biano or Bano one and not wagon abba saying Fansana mine inside the pan out horn. Yes. Sanny and Copoyeno, and any punish you, and Yamisa no humanibia. Into nipa, where your bearman could told ya. Nyankopon bo ba no kan ye ho se de emra wo bo menua peni ye wo fa senior man obo adam wie ye no ono tena ase na odwen no ka kire se twede yampon Nyankopon in fact wo ya bumi kwase a wo ya sisi me wabɔ me se de metie na wi agya me nko abisi na ha mesie me so mfa so ne sen ase mo bisa senior man no no wo se sa na tie de wo behia wo se so boafo enti oba ye be maden se so boafo bra ko bena mu ni ye ho aye tosini. That's it. Obia obe no hu atosi ni wabrabo ene ye nokre enti we kura na wo fa twaso ntem mi tumi hofo ebe kakra hawet mi go so because said the common in fact ma fe said the mu aya na mo fe mo ho kafo no
enti wo be fe ne sa bebia
ene ye ba ne sa de ahwa sa na ebe ye no
abebia na
am tell you
take me now boy no take me me no pia now hide me now dog
Uriah Joe live on Facebook and I pay in the message about say the park she took room pa
we shall be based now taxes
Uriah Joe
na zigibi ni producer no ono say nyum bi wo ho no ma aya na say mete say oto ana me yim kura hyehye me zigi o nyum bi ayo ma senior man bo ma no and tokrom we ya nyum maako a onfa ni agro so baby o hyana nkase ye tokrom no no ankase wo hye no no ono so san kita mining site no so on madwumaden a wo bo ya me hira ne pi
Penny on Facebook, rest in peace Daddy Lumba. Indeed you are a legend. But we have to go. But Sunday quick one. I remember Shee anopay ye din komo. And then I will catch a tear form that the Lumba busuya a yere a kunafono and ne emma. Then I catch you more.
The makachi one and pay the one shezen. Na za wo papa eja to ho onua wo fa wo bibi eja to one. Oyaza it needs to be celebrated rather. So isha na keza waya oya too precious or bibi a priceless. Na life I priceless. And na weja history kese ato ho. Abakwasama weja to ho no. Abrabo weja to ho no. Mazototo Kwame Nkrumah even though na me nyu ho no wo ndo okoempon so ba me to Kwame Nkrumah Lumba can be like somebody ayeba kana sema wo nwieda ye benyina ma yanhwemba yeboko ma yamba mpo abase obaka because wo papa eja won bibi eja pazekese mama fande Messi Bob Marley wager number no. So if they can hold on to that legacy, I will pay jam one as a no Fibia every year my concert in his name, and people will just go there, troop in there and just honor him all the time. And one so me more one said because Papa Nabre to hold on to all these things and to leave such a big legacy on easy. And to leave such hit songs so easy. And so yes, I want to power one should do man. Na unhunde oba asasi do oba bejeno. No mana bomba but wosha one fast that some man the way bibia mebusian. Na maka de one kose.
Okay. Black Obra who has some no can have. In fact, my whole for your kasasa badwema. Or say o mu sua. Omonsa nwen se papa no agade akesi bia to ho and obi papa wu ebusuafo akobobwa wawa wunim wawa enu wo wura mu no eno na emre pa wo wawa daka ene etam na yekosie no ebusuafo nyina mpa mehia won twene nya na omde na fa akoto na twene hwekire baabi wa mobra ade ba ko ayese wote ho a odwen ho no wa mobra nti ye fa na ye de ne fa akire wani empesa adom kura bi hu sie kosie no akire din ne ye de ne sen but we asat now ye hu baabi mpo a ye nsie no ni nyina ne se obi akondo se ye nya na ha nka ye pe akire o ye papa ne pa wa ye and in fact ye papa mpa boa no se ye size e be ka se size 99 eso why battery enti nimpo de na be hye mu ne ye bra kobna in fact adwuma de nanim na sini kurei eso wa na bai san tre eso pa enti papa ma no wadwuma ye and in fact se due bu a ye pama foforo de hyem enti ye hwe animu se ye mpa abon se papa ma no ba ko mienu bi be sore na ye papa ye be hu an se papa ba ko asan ba ye tuni biu na ye papa na mo no otieti akiri because asat now no ye won penifo bibre wo machi aso mo ye kra don kwado benya aboafo yan sister yi wo ho no nipa pi na wo ho a so ye papa ma ni bi ye o ma adwene so mpese o mutieti ye papa na mo achi o mo mre ho kra enti o mo nyiro mo ho ka ye nyina ni beje se nyimudini kase akọ na ne ba bi asode se ne pa na papa ye no pese otwa saasa no to aso mfa ne ka be ye ni gisem enti ye nyina ye mo mpa so ye nka abusua no ne ye nka ama no titiro sembe ya adom na nkola no mu ba ko betumi afifiri ye papa be se ye papa na mu na ne pa na ye papa ye no wato aso ne ye nyina nka be ye ni gisem pa anti we su ye futuro de mai ye ne aye bobra na ye bo na basa no ene Daddy Lumba na da form no Ghana nyina isu no na wo nso se woto form e be ka sa kronfo teji am no mo hene na da form ene aye ade abisa no samanfo enim kwanya hodo a ye de wo mo fa so ne mo ye ne ye ka ho nsem ene mpo bi wukura no ye owiwie pa adwuma wo ye ne ye boye ho mode ye ho adaka de ma ne kurim ananya sa na ye koso enti ye nso ye mienu a ye koba ne ye atiasefo no ye papa nwom no adakatea no ensem bebre wo mu ana wo ka obi ankweti no it means that ye nso ye ti a ye kasa fefefe si no etam wo kama baba no na ye nyina nso ebia na amanfo ejina ye nso ye yi ase o mo cheche ye busuafo ni bi ede ne ye ato ho ama ye nso ye ho na kina bi ye ni ho a sa ye adakatea obi ankweti ni dai ye nso ye de bedam bi sabe ne ye twa to ho na dache ni ho no ma o ma ka se o wosimesi we nso bobra pa enti ye nsua bibi mfiri ne ho no ade bi aden ye papa na fam de ye nso ye nsua bibi mfiri mu se be ya dache bi ye ni ho no ma afoforo betumi aka ye nso bi
okay me ko obi na manka bi dia na nye obofo adwan ye Angel Michael wa ha
Angel ofafo mo se otufiri wiem na ba de na me kuto de betumi acha
Angel imagine
yeja
bibi aboko de
e she pa
anope watin komo ekoso kakra be kana fi yan sorry so
it the maka kakra ne se ye solution anka sentino tokru ne de no kreni ya me
ni tokru asem na America
ba tokru no me TV
beti tokru musem ene kabie
asem kabi tokru no asem na ya kano baby a me me dane ya say bia o ko ho a obun kotodwe no ohun say eya bebu ohun say wo sane ebuom ade bia ye nsane bia no say wo sane na say wo ye say wo be straight ya nyame ni kwene obun say obetumi ate ahwe anti o say obun kotodwe bi mo to de bia say obun kotodwe na wo wiawia wo steady wa for be powder wo sane da say wo for be powder na say wo sane a to de bia baby a obedu no wodi agro say wo ba na tia
ba hakra be ye
wo ba tia hwe So what you say? It's also book today.
Or your buff for me. A team lank of Mono Cosso, or Tenusura him, and what dim the case for. And a Wabasenia or Betchirimu. Say, aha, on son the boy. Today I can win more sense at the air can't hear Manaquena.
But what I say? And to Uber Riaka Casana Baya Umfinto. And to Abama Uber show Musuye, Tokrona Casana Ukum, Uber show Musuye. So I say, Tokrono, and that was our call. Adia Ukoya, Adibia Ukoya, Ukapra, Dibia Umbiana, a dangerous. A dangerous, so you good. And the good things in Biano, who say bad things, so you're account. And today, Bia Ube to Chronomono, or so you're very careful. And to a chapa womb, be Bia womb, I will say to me, yet a yanabo call, now the rim. Now, Saint Chan so ya. Now we're making sure, say, we're checking Chan say, and change because Tokro to be or so we'll share in channel. Say in channel, you okay. And now so we are so but me call left and right.
I tell for your
back around him, Yabotre. Cratchy, meaning so your buffo. Fine. As a man, you can, you say a mining site, yeah, you twist carco. And Matisse was say your patch home. Minimum more two from a good any bin Obia as an Asako Bunko to Jaco Pacho.
Yes, one bumpire said, oh, because a bunko to Jacas Radi, they may be a bay, dear Buana, Namin San Kabi.
A salmon.
Yes, easy.
Rakobna.
What's
wrong with Brother Tasse? What am I saying?
Me paucho ba bai. Ready yamadom. Yes, o pacho, o be ready chow. O bunko to just asase ya, o pass asase no so chow.
As we are to Grun.
Yes,
and a man for young from so Kruma.
Men Canada, the first, if you go to Johnny Yabuno, and no Yamiasam, a year offense, assassin so asam, because who call assassin so could be but my men no ya, into Yan was so Cotona, Ukotoya.
It's in America say, a man for baby young from so cream. And baby now bunko to be any idea one or Musisia, chopper be him, and a moakra. That be the Bemboa. Because who call assassin acquire there, assassin the Yao
assassin
in Yakro crop how
Yako crop or so also didn't need
Ziggy for my granafi.
Also didn't need
level now, Modena do see a plain number in Musa, a far level. If I would be a grand hair, crash it, and it's home why.
Edio.
And senior Edumane,
Edumane, and for Musa, Sanaya, you no.
Unim say Edda at the Jane so or Bojumadena Unim, baby a bedroom be as the home message bow. Now the park will be to Mohana. Or say, and it's Daddy Lumba born, you must say, Yamin Shrama.
So,
nay say, children of the future, ba at the park was she to room. Win was Sabaka saying Yamin Shrama. Nay say, man, and can see a mining site.
Yes.
To that Nimasama Walker.
No crap. Upon what I want for the message about pay or see your buffalo too. About the settings of crowd. Or born for pony.
In fact, Ghanaian, I was today.
Message your palm water by I see your buffalo too. He comes sporting, just say, what's a baby? A buffalo pony, not Satan.
And I say, I'm pointed to Satan. See her. I say, when I ever waste a buffalo no crab by went to me and Naso. A bubuko to be in Asha say a patch over there. And a senior man, Ankasabadi, be who fear.
No, now, mamma, happy birthday, from Kokra. And come my branch here, friend, Kuku, and your birthday. This one is coming from your sweet mother, Mame Efiakoto of the MPP. Was a happy birthday. And come out by your friend Kuku. And then the fourth birthday, Bloomings Montessori. So happy birthday and confirm our Kuku. Mame Efiakoto of the MPP and the buyer. So my happy birthday. My message Uncle Ponshra, 1 year here. One for free Adumu and Quadumu, 1 more by. So happy birthday and come out Kuku of Bloomings Montessori. It's your birthday today. Enjoy your day to the fullest.
And I'm wishing me, okay, so good luck. One exam or Baba on Saturday, my best friend.
Oh, okay. Right.
King nailed it.
Okay. Osieko.
Brako bransa mekono sadi empenivoa kana bua bi dia jakwa yenyane kwa.
No crepa.
Enti ma wofa se ba kwa ne birthday. Eni de Sarash. Sarash do na friend mamiesi ofri Mumford. And I make a say the wakra. Na na wo denti de yakane se twede ampa onyankopon onhira no na onye ne kese mfani fra domo enkwa domo so Mia me offer say within Ede Sarash. Dodoa Efro.
And I'm Pajomus in-law came and I remember Aura with the 3 months and I came. Thank you so much. Now mommy.
Okay.
Thank you.
And
I'm mommy Elizabeth Ezekiel Agri.
Wow.
And Yvonne Ohene Djan. And Don Toxie and Dr. Apostle Prince Miguel. When you know
okay, and see Black over the Ekano, Salas Yamisha and Pina, Onyanekasi, and Fanny Fradumo, and Kwadwo and I would have
Richard and
and Andra, only said I'm off as about not to form our sisters. Near the bed, any dino, a Mitchell, and Mitchell, near the bed dinner, or I like you can send down, and the mammy did bearer. And I see a conscience sword on the pa. Now, only many penny pa. I saw dinner wash us here, and then you it wants a son. Now, when you said that, and said, Papa Daddy Lumba, Baya, Ghana Henry Bondino, or menu to Nikas. Now, Omeji Dimpa. Now, we are singing I only saw on a Sunyam Yeshan. So happy birthday, Quadia. Mammy, what for saying it didn't make you free. Mamma, the day edit bearer on a so a while, you know. Say,
and my brother Don Toxie. I wish him speedy recovery.
Okay. Mate. Yeah, quite.
Jammy, Baki, Joe, my own swell. Aji Bosua, what ya Bosue? Aji Bosua, what ya Bosue? Aji Bosua, what ya Bosue? Aji Bosua, Jammy Musu, Nijiasu, Bagumba, Nijiasu.
Well, thank you so much for being part of the show. Once again, happy birthday and confirm my Afro Kuku. It's your birthday today. It's your 4th birthday. From Mammy or Mammy if you are to all the MPP or Blooming's Montessori. Happy birthday and come out Kuku. I said I can see and come out production team Nina. Samuel Kwadwo Kwazigi B. Or Pambo the one for executive producer Ishaba Kwadwo Samibi. The direction coming from the program's director, maybe someone should silver lady. Yeah, the part 2 of the show. Hey, bro. If Daddy Lumba here, from a Hitman. Good morning.
Bagumba, Chelsea, Multimedia, Bagumba, Chief,
Let's go.
Hunting to no ya busy day. Who will be a better Jammy, Back it. My own swell. Oh, the boss. Watch your boss way. Oh, the boss. Watch your boss way. Oh, the boss. Watch your boss way. Oh, the boss. Jammy, Musu, Nijiasu. Bakumba, Nijiasu. Ultimately, Nijiasu. Ultimately, Nijiasu. Bakumba, Nijiasu. Makumba, back here, the boss. Jammy Musu. Back here. Jammy Musu. Back here, the boss. Jammy Musu. Back here. Jammy Musu. Back it. Jammy. Back it. Joe, my own swell. Oh, the boss. Watch your boss way. Oh, the boss. Watch your boss way. Oh, the boss. Watch your boss way. Oh, the boss. Jammy Musu, Nijiasu. Bakumba, Nijiasu. Charles, ultimately, Nijiasu. Bakumba, Nijiasu. Chief, Back here, the boss. Jammy Musu. Back here. Jammy Musu. Back here, the boss. Jammy Musu. Back here. Jammy Musu. Back it. Jammy. Back it. Joe, my own. Oh, you are. You know, try yes, and can papa your force and come up him soon. Welcome me a hunter. Or show any more, no slow, no to go to more. Fearful, welcome me a hunter. A new sleep, join more, no to go to more. Oh, no, back here, the boss. Jammy Musu. Back here. Jammy Musu. Back here, the boss. Jammy Musu. Back here. Jammy Musu. Yes. Otima Kumasu. Masu. Otimeni Jesu. Yes. Otima Kumasu. Masu. Otimeni Nichi. Yes, I see.
Let's go.
Who have you better me BCB? Hunting to no ya BC day. Who have you better me BCB? Hunting to no ya BC day. And a friend of you won't you want my to me wine a Sunday. And a friend of you won't you want my to me wine a Sunday. I don't just Otima Kumasu. Otimeni Jesu. Otima Kumasu. Otimeni Nichi. Mama Otimeni Jesu. Otima Kumasu. Otimeni Jesu. Otima Kumasu. Otimeni Nichi. Mami Sasi. Back your Jibosua. Jammy Musu. Back here. Jammy Musu. Back your Jibosua. Jammy Musu. Back here. Jammy Musu. Back it. Jammy. Back it. Joe, Musu. Back it. Jammy. Back it. Joe, Musu. Back it. Jammy. Back it. Joe, Musu. Back it.
106.9. We play all genres of music, from gospel to high life, R&B to heavy beats, reggae to dancehall, hip life to hip hop right here.